Final, Thursday.
It's the day that the Lord has made.
Finally, it's a Black Queen. Guys, we're having a sponsor for Thursday. Only Thursday for now. Yeah.
Shout out to them, man.
Yeah, shout out to Black Queen. Shout out to Black Queen. Yeah, no siyabonga. Shout out to Black Queen, and we always talk about Black Queen. We're always talking. Our previous episode, we were talking about Black Queen a lot.
And you know what's crazy?
Yeah.
Somebody came to me and was like, yeah, and what the hell,
Black Queen, yeah.
What the hell, Black Queen?
Yeah,
Like, what did we do? Nah.
Yeah.
What the hell, Black Queen?
And
And then,
Black Queen.
Yeah. Before you shoot about,
yeah.
you're busy talking about Black. I think 2 episode 3 episode,
But it
we're
wasn't
talking-
anything negative. We were just admiring the work that they're doing.
Yeah.
And then we had some ideas on how they can
Yeah.
improve the place.
Yeah.
Which seems like it's working.
Yeah.
Shout out to them,
Shout out to
man.
Black
Shout out to
Queen.
Black Queen.
Today's Thursday, Chiller Thursday at Black Queen. They offer cocktail for women, for girls.
What is it? It's what is it called?
Ladies' night.
Ladies' night.
Ladies' night.
Thursday, ladies' night. So
Ish,
it's
dope.
cocktails for an hour, ne? Is it
No,
an hour?
I think it starts at 5 o'clock
Okay.
until
Nine.
8.
Nine.
Oh, it's 9.
Nine,
Oh,
yeah.
okay. Yeah, I think the waiter, if he's gonna come, we'll ask him very properly.
Yeah, man, y'all should come through at Black Queen, have a cocktail, ladies' nights, especially ladies, you know.
Yeah.
My brother, if there's no women around,
Dog won't come. We won't spend our little that we have. We won't spend our little that we have, dog.
if there's no women, my brother,
There's nothing. There's nothing. Shout out to Black Queen. He has given us a chance to come and promote their place. Coming to promote Asikhulume podcast. Every Thursday we're gonna be live at Black Queen, Kanyamazane, Ligazi, 12:14
Shout
at
out,
3.
shout
But
out.
if not, at 3. Pa. No, guys, no. Ish.
long week, my brother,
Dog.
long week, my brother.
Ish.
Ne,
What was happening? What was happening, dog?
Before-
Yesterday you were not available. I was
before-
shooting a nice episode.
Before,
Both
Yeah,
of you were not
work.
available. Yeah, ish.
Spanning them, man. Spanning them.
Both of you're not available. Guys.
See.
Yeah.
You see.
Yeah, you
They have
please,
to-
dog.
I-
Hey, no, you please.
Hey,
What's happening, dog?
Wait,
What's
wait,
happening?
hey. I'm shooting at Black Queen now. Relax. I'll deal with you.
I'll deal with you later. Maybe after 2-3 episodes, shoot a Black Queen. Maybe they will give us some T-shirts. I think so.
Yeah,
they will
shout
give
out
us-
to them.
Yeah, shout out.
So what's on your mind, my brother? What's on your mind? Not trends. What's on your mind?
No, we need to promote our thing, what you're doing every day, every week. In order for us to see us. You see if we go what do you call this thing? What do you call the thing, man? Consistent.
Consistent.
You see how people they like us, how people they watch. Yeah. We're going. Yeah, we're
But you
going.
know what I think, my brother?
What are you thinking?
Besides the talent that we have, my brother, I
Yeah.
also think it's because of her, my brother.
Yeah, shout out. Yeah,
Shout out to you guys.
Shout out to you, man. Yeah. Hey, dog, I bought you some sweets. Yeah, I bought you some sweets. You say you don't eat the sweet.
Yeah, dude,
Yeah.
I have a tendency. If they can't sponsor me, I can't eat them.
Oh, no, nah. No, but you're not showing which
I'm
sweet.
joking.
You're not showing which sweet you're talking about.
I'm playing, man.
Yeah.
I'm playing, man.
Yeah,
I'm
no,
playing,
so,
Yeah. So what's been on your mind is promotion.
yeah,
We need to
promotion,
promote
yeah, we
market
need to,
Yeah.
market.
as much as
And
possible.
you're having a tool
And
that,
I mean, I think with the more we do this, the
Yeah.
more like letting it down to spawn.
100%.
Yeah. Yeah.
Even the guests we have, man. I'm sure if we grow, we're gonna have guests who can call up like, yo,
dog wanna be,
Can I be
part
part
of
of
it, yeah.
Yeah.
you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, baby girl, something like a girl, something like a flower,
Ziziza.
something like a baddie.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or like a bed. Oh, something like a bed.
What's on your mind? What's on your mind? What's been happening? What's on your mind? Besides flu.
There's nothing much. It was Bambi, the shame. Sick hand.
Yeah, and I heard there's like a COVID thing going on.
It was Bambi, the
Nah,
shame.
I think it will.
Futhi nje amhloka ukuthi bosami ibuyile kube ngena ngikhulumile
Yeah, you're very horsey. Hey. You're very horsey.
Nah. Today you were supposed to have your friends with us. What happened?
Hey guys,
Story for another day.
a
Nah.
story for another day.
Oh no, it's a drama. Dramanyana.
I wouldn't really call it a drama. I think what they want
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah.
I could be wrong.
Yes.
But I think they feel like maybe you don't appreciate them more.
Yeah.
Like what?
Like how?
I don't know.
Mm.
No, I feel like if we had this conversation with them,
Yeah, it's gonna be better.
yeah, it was gonna be better.
Yeah.
But they did require last time they need masks because they can't show their face. They have a lot to talk about.
Okay.
But they can't show the face.
Yeah, no, everything happens for a reason. But every time our Thursday becomes miserable. Why, dog? Do you notice that?
I wouldn't say miserable, my brother.
Yeah.
It's drama.
Drama, ne?
Yeah, and drama sells.
Ne?
Yeah, if
Oh, drama sells, ne?
my brother,
Yeah.
Podcast your pause.
Dog. Itolo yesterday mangamapha sonke silapha ekamlenga ekacetshwa ekhaya. Shout out to Mlenga. Dog, people bebalo lapha.
For real?
Pause yafahle ifuni.
Oh no.
You must watch when I'm dropping the episode next week. You must watch it. But I never shoot that
The
scene.
yeah.
Yeah, but I was busy. And I
My
think,
brother, we're directing a movie scene and a podcast at the same time, my
and
brother. Shout out.
I can't pause. Ne? People they need to see what's in that. We need a sponsor. We need our own equipment, our own venue. You can come to our own because you can't come to Kechwa because it's a public place at the same time.
Yeah.
Anything is possible.
Yeah.
As the thing that you saw yesterday. I know. It was another one. Yeah, it was another
So you
one.
were there because
No, I mean,
It's
no.
not.
Oh, some other smaller boys. I don't know what they fight.
School kids.
Yeah, school kids. Yeah.
It's a trend of school kids. Man.
Yeah, and ngabe ngiphufakela pha kulelo bebase ngipromote
Yeah, 'cause remember
violence.
when-
Yeah.
Remember when was it? Was it on Monday? There's a time when you called me
Yeah.
and you're like, I'm like, brother, I was like,
Yeah.
yeah, brother, kids fighting. I'm like, oh.
And then,
God,
yeah, remember ukuthi yeah no la ukhona khona ngathi busy.
Yeah, but say what you call this corner shop.
Okay.
Take my chips,
Yeah.
and then people, and I see there's a commotion going on. I'm like, hey, man, what's going on? But no, it's going no, just two.
They were fighting.
People were fighting, just two people. Mara.
I know.
I was like, maybe people were somewhere around.
And then I also know what's in but into the village and
But you know when you grow up you need to be need to feel my band nyana understand. I don't know,
okay,
dog.
but Benilani.
No, it's never single. Oh, I know to which is boys. No. I no violence. No violence. Hey, no, but
I've always been an introvert.
maybe ngalwa la mantombazane state nazo kona those days. So, why?
In a fight!
Fighting for guys. Just a fight. Drama. I mean, even lose someone in school. Yeah. No, indirect though. I mean, I was dating maybe a class in the one, not 2 months. Why not though?
How old are you?
Angizakhumbule bengimosha. Phela kuzala bebakana ukuthi just wearing nice, yabo. Uyikamnazi ke casual. Yabo Oh, khabe singana mali, khabe afford.
Yeah, it's the whole thing, my brother. Quicksilver.
Sangena ama 2009.
Yeah,
2009.
Yeah. What were they called tooth?
Kavela sangena mugcokele sweat vele
I remember
uyalevel.
there was this guy from the night
Yeah.
in high school. Auntie, Dickies, Kavela, W, about W,
Yeah,
go to
yeah.
Atilwash,
Yeah.
Donkey, my brother. I'm
Yeah,
like,
bokuganela lo. Bokusoma dog.
No, he had-
So
he-
yeah, yothuma abangani
you know-
bakho.
you know- You know what's funny? You know what's funny? When in high school, like grade 10, because I didn't know it. By grade 11, 2 baby mamas. I'm like, chief, you fighting.
Yeah, it was another one.
Fit.
So you know high school. So nyamala bafana abancane babalwa nyana dog. We don't fight now.
We went through it.
No.
We went
I
through it.
know, I
So
see.
they also part of it.
Yeah, I see.
We
So trending stories. Okay, let's talk about Black Queen first. Dog, Black Queen. Dog, Black Queen is an affordable place to come. I wanna if you like. Kona those days must be mad, dog. You're affording to come Black Queen, but Nyanyalo said because. I mean, I'm not a drinker anymore for now.
But
Yeah.
to their defense, my brother,
Yeah.
they don't only sell alcohol.
Yeah, they don't only sing.
So they can also accommodate people who don't drink alcohol.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Understand?
Yeah,
So everyone is more than welcome. And you know what I like?
Yes.
It's not only about what you can buy.
Yeah.
It's also the experience of the place.
Aish.
My brother, this
This
place
is
is
beautiful. Yeah. This place is
Excel.
beautiful. Shame.
Ngaphandle, ngaphakathi.
My
ziya-
brother, if Batsy, maybe you own a burger's point.
Yeah.
Like a burger joint and your burgers are nice.
Mhm.
But if ingekho that that level, yabona. Abantu bathenga badlula mfethu, yabona. But if ikule level my brother, my brother, noma ngakutshela ukuthi
People gonna come back.
yeah, noma ngakutshela ukuthi hayi amabhiya abanda, are you like, it's fine, I'll wait for them.
Yeah,
It's
mabhiya ashisa,
fine,
yeah.
ashisa amabhiya. You're like, I know it's okay, I'll wait for them. You understand?
But
So,
I think it's like like it's my eyes are
Amanzi.
So
Mafuna njalo. Yeah, yeah.
this place is gorgeous, bro. Pristine.
Dog lana uyatijaja wena.
Yeah.
Yeah, wena la uyatijaja wena.
But you know
Yeah,
what I
yeah.
like about it?
Yeah.
It forces you to bath.
Yeah.
It forces you to bath, my
Yeah,
brother. They
yeah.
can't tell you, yeah, my sister, let's go to Black Queen now, and then you're like, okay, we'll go.
Yeah,
And
just for the sake.
as soon as you see the place, you're like, I'm underdressed. I need to go back and, dress up.
Why not?
Because
Why not, dog? Why not, dog? And but people they think ukuthi Black Queen is semena ebusuku kuphela. That's the problem. You understand? But saying yeah.
For real?
Maybe it's not so.
No, guys, ihlale available, always open. Just now they're opening it Thursday until Monday.
Thursday, Friday,
Yeah,
Saturday,
Sunday,
Sunday,
Monday. Yes, yabo.
From
But-
Emini.
But if you get used to the place, it will every day. You understand?
That's what we're fighting
Yeah,
for. That's what we're fighting for. We'll say, I will do it every day.
The things are what if you tongue dog, you will pick your place ufuna kuya kuyo.
My brother, you know where they're going to go.
And laphana yathi kunjani? Ayiqali iphathi yaphelela khona.
Yes,
Yabo
yeah.
lana iqala
Second
iphathi.
venue.
Yeah, lana iqala iphathi.
So, brother, you know what I've noticed?
Yeah.
I've noticed that everywhere, everywhere in Pumalanga,
Yeah.
there's always like that thing you could
That
see.
certain place.
Yeah, but it's not like this.
Oh, yeah.
There's always those places where ufuna ukukhuluma eMathulu,
Yeah.
get to ukuthi eMathulu bakhuluma kuphi,
Yeah.
bophelela kuphi.
Yeah.
But it's not yabona
Yeah.
inzala baphelela khona. So kukhuluma ePinara, Pinara sasaba mara sokuva kuphi kuphi siyabuya.
Yeah.
Yabona
Yeah.
Babathon there's always
There's
but
always that
Likazi,
place.
my brother, there's one place, my brother.
Yeah.
Only one place.
Yeah.
La phela khona inzala.
Dog. Ziyasha.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah,
My
yeah,
brother,
yeah.
I was so shocked.
Yeah.
Ukuthi bantu bahlala engodini,
Mhm.
baqhuba engodini.
Yeah.
Mara makuvalwa le
Yeah.
bedala.
Yeah. You're so shocked, nah?
I'm like,
Kwatsala, dog. Ever since that place opened, kwatsala. And manje nyalo njoba say in car wash. Ah, it's a banger.
But you know what I like
It's a
now, my
banger,
brother?
banger.
You know what I like about my brother now is now there's that place
Yeah.
and then there's Black Queen.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And obviously Black Queen closes at some point.
Yeah.
Yabona?
Yeah.
And then the people who abaqhamuka engodini,
Yeah.
labaqhamuka boMathulu,
Yeah.
now they're like, hey, we've heard of this place, Black Queen, Black Queen. What's Black Queen? Black Queen, because people still have the same mentality. Queen.
Yeah.
Remember?
Oh,
So they still
damn,
believe the place is the same.
Yeah.
And then Mama figure out like,
Angeke.
Eliyazi.
Angeke bona.
my brother,
Yeah.
my younger brother,
Mm.
shout out to him, Ushaleres.
Yeah.
So his friends from Limpopo, they're like, you guys got for there's no nice places in
Yeah. Yeah.
And then he took them to the
Black Queen.
Queen.
Bathini bona.
They were like, why can't they take this thing and put it down?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah,
it's
no.
fine here.
Why kanti tonke into tihle kufuna bedrobheni kanti? Dog, abasuke edrobheni bethi to jive nathi.
Danke, my
Yeah, abasuke edrobheni.
Yeah,
Yeah,
100%.
yeah, that's a nice place to be at.
We need to invest, my brother. Now we need to
To part. And we need to part first.
Yeah.
We need to part first. You say with this place, we need to part. Ascares it, dog.
100%.
Yeah, no, we need to part, dog. Even if you can come here, dog, you can enjoy.
You can
Yeah,
enjoy
you
yourself.
can enjoy yourself.
You can
Yeah.
buy your cold drinks, you can buy
Yeah.
virgin mojitos,
Yeah,
you know
yeah.
what I mean?
To promote for them, because such a place needs a promotion,
Not
a
only
proper,
promotion,
yeah,
my brother, but also to enjoy yourself.
yeah, enjoy yourself.
Enjoy quality,
Aish.
tranquility, my brother.
Aish,
You
dog.
understand, my brother?
Dog.
Quality, my brother. One of my brother, have the view.
Yeah.
You have the couch, you have the view, you have the cocktail, my brother, you know. There's nice music playing in the background, my brother. You have a young honey on the side, my brother. You're having a nice conversation, my brother. Rush out for extend, my brother. You like,
One of those days when you grow up, when you used to go to Riverside Mall. Bongena Riverside Mall ngo-11, uphuma ngo-11 wasebusuku. Nge-show. Dog Riverside Mall says big. But there's those guys who uhamba ndzawini. Usuka le uyale. But
it's only one line.
Yeah.
It's only one line.
Yeah. So ma 2000 akuko wathi lo lesikhuluma ngayo.
2000.
You don't know. Huh? 2000 never did Black Queen, eh? Sorry to offend you. Sorry to offend. Sorry. I think we need to talk to the management. I think lenza ingantshintsha. Inenza yesitulo, lenza yangaphasi, lenza yangaphandle. Yabona into le. I think ne la phakathi mina ngeview yami hlala amaRockman yabo sister. You understand? La kula couch and all those things. La ngaphandle ngidza ngoma. Ziyasha. I'm telling you, dog. Like, by divide, like, ihlonipheke, dog. Yeah, like.
Remember, my brother, there was a time.
Yeah.
We were talking about the Queen. I think this was a few episodes ago, maybe 3 or 4 episodes.
Yeah. La bathi sinesikhuluma phela.
The marketing there needs to improve, but not they need to
do something.
More.
Yeah, something like that.
This coming weekend.
Yeah. I heard what's it?
This can go. 28.
What's happening? I don't want to be around.
What's happening? I'm asking myself.
This coming weekend, my brother.
The poster. There's a poster. Yeah. Do you have it on your phone?
I'm not sure if I have it, my brother. But there's something called, my brother, spin-off, my brother.
Yeah.
You know what a spin-off is, my brother? Do you know spinning, my brother? My brother.
Yeah.
But this one is my brother, you see now, this management, my brother.
Yeah.
My brother,
Yeah.
No,
he listened to people like something like that. Yeah.
He's like, no, there's gonna be a spin-off. But we're talking my spinners are around.
Yeah.
Betala.
Yeah.
Corner like a panda.
Yeah. Zash.
You have the good music. You have the good food. You have the good alcohol. You have
good place. Good place.
Entertainment galore, my brother.
Good place.
My brother, entertainment galore.
Yeah.
This coming Saturday, it's gonna be on what day is it today? If it's on the 28th of June 2025.
What's going on?
That's good marketing.
Yeah.
When you don't know what's happening, but you know there's something happening.
Yeah.
That's good marketing.
Nah, you need to concern what's happening on the 28th.
Like, what's happening?
Yeah, what's happening? Yeah.
Shut up, man.
Shout out to Black Queen.
This coming Saturday.
Yeah.
Are you gonna be here, my brother?
No, tomorrow I'm leaving.
My brother, I'm here.
I'm gonna be here.
Angiko the weekend yonke then.
My brother, I remember on when was it? On Saturday. Yeah, last week Saturday.
Yeah.
This girl calls me, my brother.
Which one?
This other girl, my brother. I'm not mentioning name. She calls me, my brother. Shem, I'm like, my sister, what do you want?
Yeah. Oh.
I'm like, no, my sister, you sick?
Bandu bahamba njalo dog.
I'm like, no, my sister, you sick?
Oh, that's the reason kune beef. So I see now. The tension. Hey, the tension. Which one is this one?
No.
Calling one another, come and fetch one another.
No, my
We're not shooting that day. What was happening?
Yabona
mechina nalo Nasima.
Oh wow.
This is Mackie and Sima, Baba.
Oh no, my brother.
Now we need to find a ghost.
No, my brother.
That guy is a ghost guy, ne? Lo mundu Sim. And they broke up because of that.
Ghost guy. His name is Ghost.
It's Ghost, yeah.
Yeah, Ghost. Yeah.
But it's not a nickname. Ghost.
Yeah,
it's a nickname. Yeah, it's a street name.
I want that guy, man.
So
I can never show you a picture of that.
isn't it?
Yeah.
When you know the person of the social media, ne? Do you have Instagram first?
I do. I have all of them.
So.
But I love Sima Shem. I really do love her.
Ne?
I love that.
Sima Talks.
Ne?
Yeah, I love her.
Oh, my brother. If you tell the way she feels, the one that girl will tell you the way she feels. If she doesn't give a do, she won't give a do, and she'll tell you, I do not give.
Hey, but nyalupumlile Sima Shem. Yeah, but they broke up. But that guy insecure.
My brother, that's being insecure.
Mara Costa, like will fight like Sim.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A very good thing if
Is
it's
she,
next.
is she that?
Sima,
Nah.
she's
She's a real one.
Shout
out to her, man.
Shout out to
Shout out to
I know
Sima.
very dogs like dog. Lot. You understand? So if Mamele, know yourself first, ne? But we got abusive first, they out. Yeah, but was abusive and stuff. It was
Really?
yeah. But insecure. If you're insecure dog in a relationship, leave that relationship dog. Why not? You understand? Why you back fame
Yeah,
Man,
but
that's a
I
problem.
don't okay, so what does Ghost to be do? What's his resume?
I got
What is
busy in
he
a trade.
doing?
Not busy in over trade and stuff. You're busy in over trade, but you must celebrate next to him all the time. YouTube channel. Who busy very that guy?
Oh, like
Who drive about
he's also
R8
streaming-
dog.
Apparently
No,
he's
so
messing those things.
so that's the dog.
Apparently it's not his.
Hey, no matter what dog, but ulapha kulamlight. But the fact, no mangasi kwakhe noma kukwakhe my brother, the fact ulapha kulamlight. Uhlala nabo Casper. Oh dog.
Oh, for real?
Oh,
Oh, wow.
why not dog?
Why not what?
Why not dog? You lose some, you win some sometimes in life.
My
If
brother,
bengasi wakhe sima,
my brother, I think that's the problem we have as guys.
Yeah.
Brother. We can't recognize real.
yeah, ne?
The fame in the cloud,
Yeah.
ihlale enhloko,
Yeah.
and then we think just because remember my brother, not everyone wants you for you.
Yeah,
They want your things,
Yeah,
not you.
that's true. That's true.
Come on, and ngathola ukuthi Sima knows her like
Yeah,
Sima
mhlambe
knows him
yeah.
You understand? And I
Mhlambe kabeke lisona naloko ngesinye isikhathi.
You
Because
understand?
batana, yeah.
so goes to you're saying you saw other girls who just they're in it for fame.
Why not, dog? You need to pass some stages, dog. I'm telling you, I mean, I'm been through such things, ne? So I'm talking from experience. You understand? Ngiluzile many times empilweni yami mantombazane. Ngiluzile into etihle empilweni yami because of ifame at 2 seconds. You know, yamuva spot mabumazi sesiphakathi ema-19. Now I'm smart. Now
That's exactly what she's
I'm really smart than before. Ngalo bengidlala, you understand? I was playing bengidlala, it was beusikhathi sami ukuthi ngidlala. Kuyangivisa buhlungu but ngiyalokuthi qhamuka ukudlula le ntiluzini.
and I think now
You understand?
I think now you can also
Phela experience ayithengiswa dog. You can't buy an experience. You understand? Yeah. No, but an experience. No, we're not talking about dating. We're talking about life per se.
You guys don't mind value that people take this and just like that. Then they like
Mine dog topic enamuhla mental issue. You understand? Because mental health, if you're so busy so long ngithi stress about lengikwendile before. So long ngiyalimata phela.
That's true.
You understand?
That is true.
Yes.
That is
Before singena to topic
You
enamuhla.
can't contemplate on the past forever. That
Yes.
is true.
Yes, okay, ngikushile and then ungishile siyena and then what? Ngene njani? Kwambili you move on. Uphula inhlitiyo and then
okay with it.
Shout out.
Shani.
Thank you.
But you know when you
Cheers to Black Queen.
shout out to Black
But
Queen.
you
It's
seem
yours.
okay.
Yours. Thank you. Yeah.
But you seem okay with it.
Mina no kuyangilimata mangingedwana but mangiconcentrate kakhulu kuwe ngilimala kakhulu. You get what I'm saying? Ngilimala kakhulu.
I get him.
Yeah. Yeah.
I get him though. But shout out to okay, so I don't understand. Was he dumped or did he dump him?
Awungeke nadampe Sima udampe.
Sima.
But I think mina mangibuka because
okay, wait, context.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
so apparently
Who? What? Oh, which one, Jan?
so this was happened.
Thank you.
This what happened. Apparently
Mama Shem, before ne, some promoter this thing Leni end out this weekend, and people we don't know proper what's happening
on the 28th.
On the 28th.
We heard there's something on the 28th of June 2025.
You shy? If you don't have a problem, okay, you can talk. Maybe they will hear you. Oh, you promoting? Oh, okay. Thanks. Hey, shout out to Black Queen, guys. These things, both of them, they are yours. I mean, I'm not drinking, guys. Both of them, they are yours. Yeah, they are yours.
Okay, shut up, man.
I mean, I'm just promoting what I'm promoting.
Shut
But
up,
I mean,
shut
I'm
up,
not
shut
drinking,
up,
guys.
shut up.
Guys,
Queen.
Joala.
Also, you can. This episode right now,
It's on
it's
live.
airing. It's live right now
On my channel in TikTok.
TikTok,
Yes.
Nkosana Nyoni on TikTok, check it out.
Yeah.
It's live as we speak right now.
Yeah.
So for context,
Yes.
Meg G had a meeting.
With Sima.
No. Meg G had a meeting
Oh, okay.
with someone else.
I don't know that one.
And then upon the meeting was done complete, so
Yeah.
he was going back home. But before he could leave the venue where they were,
Yeah.
he bumped into Sima.
Oh, okay.
And they're like, yo, let's chop it up, let's talk, let's chill. Colleagues, right? Because they work for the same network, but they don't work for the same thingy. You understand?
Okay.
For the same show.
Okay.
Same network, same channel, different shows. So
Yeah.
they're like, oh, Pats, let's chill. Fine, they chill. It got late, and even worse. The meeting was with Meg G, and Meg G's wife was there, part of the meeting, and then someone else. So they bumped into Sima, Meg G and his wife.
Yeah.
Bumped into Sima, and then they were like, and Meg G was like, baby, I'm gonna chill with Sima. The wife was like, alright, cool, no problem. I'm gonna leave. I wanna go home.
Yeah.
I miss my kids.
Yeah.
Stuff like that. So they left.
Yeah.
Meg G and Sima continued with their thingies. They were chilling. It was nice. Goes to me, being him, insecure, busy calling every 2 minutes. Every 2 minutes is calling. Every 2 minutes is calling.
Yeah.
And then Meg G says they chilled until late. Like I think it was until 11 or something.
Yeah.
Somewhere there, but until late. That's when he went home. Yeah. That was that. Next morning, let's see.
Mina ngiva singathi Meji bekaya somewhere ushiya mfati wakhe ulandza Sima. La ngathi I heard something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, say bahamba boyithuna whatsoever, but mfati wakhe she was aware ukuthi
Yeah,
baboyithuna.
unaSima, yeah.
So but the main thing le beyikhona ngivile ukuthi lo uMeji naSima kathi bale eclubini wherever they la bebakhona khona. Bebangafuni bathatha ama pictures wabo. Bebaya kulabantu ukuthi mababone babashuthile ne basicela udelete le mama picture. Why? Naku nini noyithungiyalekisa.
I'll answer you. I'll answer you.
Yeah.
I'm here to relax, dog. I'm not here to work.
Na babashutha from a distance. Ayikuthi bebacela kushutha ezimasini.
Akhonakala.
Bashutha yabona eziminyaka.
But my brother Meg
Yes.
said, this is from Meg G. This is what
Yeah,
Meg G
yeah,
said.
yeah.
Meg G said they took pictures with some fans. But after a while, it got tiring. They were like, I'm a bit.
Titortining basi labanye bebacela babashutha to. Yabona nje manje eclubini vele kuba nema pictures
I have a
lapha.
question, my brother.
Yeah.
Do you think Meg G would Ashkara and Sima?
I don't think so. I don't think so, man. Yeah.
Nami I don't think.
I don't think so. Yabona.
Mama-
Uyakuyaphunyukela lo kanye lokhuluma ni dog. Akabe lokhuluma
point.
yeah. It's just one thing le ngihlale ngibukile about us weak pointed ne. If umjida udate nemuntu ukhomba i-weak point yakho ngalomnye umjida. Umfati lingena ngizos advantage. Yeah, wena nona nalinda blah blah maybe siyadate ne. So ngiva bathi bekanawo. Maybe sichutha song episode.
Yeah.
Like for real.
Yeah, think we need something.
You need to promote your thing, your
Come
weekend.
closer.
I was that one that showed that.
Oh, well,
She ran away.
she ran
It
away.
was like,
Yeah.
you know, we don't know what, you know, like, you just know what we have, Amaspinas and everything.
Yeah.
And Unjedi, that's what we know.
Oh, on
wait,
Saturday,
and
they-
who?
On Saturday.
And
Yeah.
who? You have spinners and
Angelique.
artists? Jelik.
Yeah.
JJ.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, but I also saw another post there, I have Pride.
Yeah,
Pride.
where is it?
I'm not sure about the one. So I was like,
Oh, you
Pride?
can. You can.
Who's pregnant?
Oh, okay.
Come on, Pride.
it's no, give the events here to Kia, the King Gaze and
Okay, let's-
Oh, yeah, I heard about.
Oh,
Yeah,
that- oh,
ngivile
that's
ngayo.
right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm not
Oh.
sure about it.
Leyo bathi possible ngivile ngayo.
Podcasting.
Ngivile bathi leyo ko. Ah! Inja.
Mina nomthola lelanga.
Yeah.
So I hope Ted,
Yeah.
our guy was here, but he's not here. He's the one who knows
Oh, he knows everything. But I heard about mina le organizer le yayo le event le benginayo to beshutha nayo sikhulumile. Le gay, that gay.
The Pride thing.
Yeah, Makosonke. Yeah,
Oh.
Makosonke, yeah.
Oh, shout
Okay.
out.
Oh, no,
Dope.
thanks.
That's dope.
Hara. Siyakufuna wena.
Thank you.
Yeah. No, you heard maybe guys, maybe Vagele about
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we are talking.
Before that,
Yeah.
Le Queen 28 ne June 2025, Angelique is going to be here.
Yeah. Local spinners, they will be here.
Juluka, bla.
Yeah.
Uzoba yini?
Yo bakujulukisa kahle kahle la. Yo bakushibrika la.
Brother, ngizobekudlanga, ngiyakutshela.
Yeah. Ne.
Ngiyobekudlanga,
Yeah,
brother.
yeah.
But back to the Maggi story.
Yeah.
I don't think Maggi is capable.
I don't think.
Okay, every guy is capable.
Yeah.
But I don't think with a colleague.
How?
We don't know. We don't know. Things, alcohol, dog. Temptations, dog.
Donna, do you know the admin? Okay, I get the temptation
Yeah,
part.
yeah.
You know the admin, the thought process
Yeah.
to convince. Maybe you don't even need convincing because maybe we both stand at the same level. You know, we both feel some type of way.
Yeah.
But here I am with her.
Yeah.
We're drinking. It's nice conversation. It's just the two of us.
Yeah.
You understand? The admin you're with is away. And book a place.
And maybe you're not booking a place.
What are we doing?
Maybe at the end, hey, 3 o'clock. Yeah, sekusile man. Ekhaya ngeke basangivulela ngalesikhathi. Wena ekhaya yini ke? So now I know you welcome.
But we talk about.
But we don't know what's happening in the
But we're
house.
talking about Sima.
Ngiyabekisa.
Now,
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
making an example. We're talking about Sima.
Yes, yes.
I'm
Oh, okay.
this.
We talk about that day.
That day.
Oh, okay.
So you thinking Muzima was like, Kaya wangema.
Sati.
Nah, dog.
But okay, sorry. Okay. Kahle sive mfati na yakhuluma.
Okay, if like you're in the same ride. Okay, so
They were not.
Oh, right.
It was different rides.
Oh, mina ngifasi babamba ngemoto leyi.
One, yabo.
Bashiye mfati.
Yeah. Isn't that too risky though? In the car, everybody can see us.
Tshwala guys, tshwala lesikhuluma ngakho la.
La.
Excuse me, guys.
Yakungona ngoba sovile tukomfati ukuthi.
But tshwala and tshwala kuyalingana.
Ne?
Yeah.
Kanti why you girls bathi maninatsile there's certain alcohol which nyotshwala basinganatha wine. Hey bathi wine inendelele ngini.
No, wine, ngiyayisa bekuthe bekunatha ngabengedwane.
Ne?
Bengayindlawo ngabezendlini.
Yeah.
Wine yenza
Mara yendani like what's happening? But akusingcondo.
Asi phela lento leni ifana nokuba high.
Ne?
Yeah. Abona uba high buhlungu.
Ne?
Abakuthi wenteni uba so thina besifuna
Hashkaraman.
when the wine is kicking in when you want
So anisacabanga usinifuna kubani?
like to be honest with you ne cherry ito for the muntu emthatha khona sekathi
Yeah. So manje lo muntu kamthanza beba nema problems before. Senyalo uyo react kanjani? And now ngiyabekisa. Udate na Linda ne? Linda uyamthanza. Mina ngiyakusonga. You understand? And Linda kasona sikhathi sakho enough than me. Uyamfonela Linda na ngiyalohola. Linda akaphendula umafoni akho. And mina ngikufonelile before ngasicela ukubona ngichomela. Wena njani?
mina ndo yakida ngize ngemva
Awumtholi Linda. No wethu before. Uyamthola kuphi?
ngimhlela kuphi mos
Akekho.
hayi ngiyala ngenceba
Linda, you wait.
Dog. Bashithi kusima uphuzile masonqibile alcohol. No, guys.
I don't have that, my brother.
Hey,
No,
usho
I'm just
yena.
saying me.
Mina ngibuthi usakukho engcondweni usakukho engcondweni. Dog, there are a lot of training stories that we have. Sibile nge 28. Shout out to Black Queen. Shout out to the
That's
cocktails.
training also.
Yeah. So Mamkiza dog.
What's happening?
How's being from kids man
Never
Mamkiza.
I love Mamkiza. No, I'm not saying I love Mamkiza. I love a black person.
Who's
Unemali.
winning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love.
Shout
Yeah,
out.
and akhombisa usunemali. You understand? But ngivisa ukuthi ngimuthi mangabulala abantu and angabi angabukela abanye abantu phansi.
Yeah.
I like a person like Mamkiza. Well, auction not motor that, but auction if I'm not mistaken.
Damn, Keys.
Yeah.
This is crazy, dog, because I saw Keys is moving differently.
Outside.
So,
Shout out to
Akiri
Mamkiza.
is, no, you can't promote nonsense.
No, ngikhulumela ukuthi yathi ngikhulumela kuthini ukuthi solo ku social media uyavela
That's what I'm saying.
yeah
She
then
moves differently.
yeah
You know, dog, if somebody is gonna come and repossess
yeah
what you failed to pay
Yeah.
as black people,
yes
but you
not someone SARS dog yeah not someone
lapha uthenga ifurniture lapha kuphi kuphi wayibhadala 2-3 months and then uyafika kuyibhadala Now when you finish come away, you dump it.
Ito talaga dito.
Yeah, dump it.
Pam, pam,
Kaya wala the plus my ako fan. Anong takamba na ngeke.
But angeke reverse if busolo communicate naye.
But I'm trying to say this, my brother.
Communication.
I'm trying to say this. When that happens, as black people normally,
Yes.
we become very close and ashamed and as for no puma because
But this one is different. But this one is not branded. That one was branded. Label it finish. This one is not branded.
But that's what I'm saying. You see, when such things happen, any type of prepossession, we tend to be like, ish. Be away from the limelight. Mom, kids are down I think she was in New York.
Suit up suddenly cold.
I'm like, yeah. I'm like,
On.
I'm like,
Right now.
I love her for
like,
that.
Nami ngitsandzela lo.
I love her for that.
Ngitsandzela lo.
Akala-mahloni, I love
Why
her
not,
for that.
dog?
Because
Phela bebangasikuqala bamrepossess Mam Keys.
it's not.
Yeah.
But
This
sometimes
one's yeah.
things happen. Things like this happen.
Mina why
Yeah, what's that?
ngifuna sikhulume ngama Keys about this thing. Nathi one day we'll be there.
Yeah.
The podcast yethu, ne?
Yeah.
And we need to be careful of some of the things. Light, dog. Spotlight. Because it's no Puma. No, I'm telling you, dog. Ukhuluma ungasakali. Yamana make gym. Make sure you can see ukuthi bambhadala dog le khuluma. And no, some of the things you can tell. Like ifana naba solution njalo. Julius Malem. Julius Malem, you can see this guy is getting paid.
Okay.
Who's a cool so.
Okay.
But
when it comes to Michi, what do you mean with that?
dog.
Who's paying?
There are people who maybe mhlambe waze washo baze bayikhulumile ukuthi about akhuluma ngale ntombatane leya in a bad way. Ukuthi maybe mhlambe yanuka nana le ntombatane this celebrity thing. Yeah. Because you can't talk about someone like that, just like that, in a big platform like that one.
You know what I think the problem is when it comes to Michi, and I don't like to talk about other people.
Yeah.
Much, but I think the problem is, like you said, spotlights. True.
Yeah.
I think he got it in his head. I built this thing by myself.
There's no one gonna take this thing from
No one's gonna take this thing away from me. You understand? There's this other podcast that I'm watching now, and the guys, they drop same day as Megchi. And to me, this new podcast that I'm watching, it felt like Megchi back then, when he was still Megchi, when he was talking his truth, but also considering the consequences. You understand? He used to touch on subject that really matters. And then he'll clown about and then touch on subjects, things that really happen. Now it's like, fuck Batman, fuck
that guy is doing beef 99, very like I can answer.
But it's, as a chiller, it's hard to consume such thing now, because now you're doing everything in vain. You understand, Ajaya? Like in fact, it's like we friends like this.
Yeah.
And then you go and talk about her to me.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to stop him like, dog. Why don't I Why do you now to have to wait and then you start talking? That's what Megchi does. But now, who's that guy? Every time there's a guest. No. It's gonna be cool. And then a week after that episode.
That's right.
Yeah.
Maybe
We do that as girls.
Yeah.
Okay, John, in the C4.
Yeah.
I'm very aware of that.
Yeah. That's something else.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
But I think na mkhambe indlela yakho ukumarket. I think mina lo uyibonga khona.
Obviously itself, but then it's starting to lack
somehow.
That
thing yakhe le wayicala ngakhona.
Substance.
So nginendo ngishela ukuthi nathi we going there, but we need to be careful of such things.
Yeah, we can't
you get what I'm saying? Maybe masekucala ma subscribers ababig sabacala busfollow sesicala kwa studio sethu. Lo mnisi ukhuluma, dokona ngophela lo enda le show beso. Do you see that? You understand? So it's some of the things we need to be careful of, because dogs in media is dangerous, dog. Because maybe ngiyabekisa ezikhuluma naye uyaqhamuka wena. Siyakhuluma siyahleka and masofika wena the topic sayiphelile and you don't know what you understand. Kuscrash mina naye angathi bekakhuluma ngawo lo. Easily. Because
yeah,
you understand?
And then it seemed like that's a veil.
Yeah, you understand? So I say, phela nyoni phela uma engathi ngiyabekisa. Let's vula i-podcast yethu ethu. Ikrashe kalula something big, ikrashe kalula. Yeah. Yeah, you know what I like referable name. Mlindo ulalele podcast
that was dope.
ulalele.
That was dope.
Kuthi athi bantu
It wasn't part of the conversation.
Yeah.
It was people around
People
him
bakhuluma
communicating.
yes.
Nathi khuluma
Khuluma
yena.
yes. And yabona usola amapolisa so bamngcolisa and ubonyana solo bamcleaner wesiphathi. Bahlolo bamngcolisa amapolisa uyaphetha. Awukazi uhlane namapolisa wena phasi kube ne conversation.
When it comes to my police, I think it also plays a part ukuthi bamkhulume.
Somewhere somehow, ne?
Because he likes talking.
Mara nyana namana
But
ngichaza.
he likes talking, you understand? But if you're being honest, my brother, I've never met the proof. But I've seen his work. I've seen a lot of people who came up. Lindo said there was no need for Maporisa to send 500 rand to Lindo. I don't record something.
First day, baqala. Bakile babonana ngokuthi basi
Only on the line.
Yeah, about ngathi when I post bathi cover what album cover. So was two
it's a song. He did a song
yeah, but it's a cover, yeah. Bengangathi usuyaqula.
There was no need for Maporisa ukuthi abe amnike.
Kusi like uthi lo ngiyacula. And it did,
That's huge.
Kasi bakubuya kucabana omnya 20,000 rand for. Dog washo ukuthi ngithumele 20 blocks.
Mara beningidla details, you know, sengigaya 20k.
You understand? So yabona kusi dog ngilelo ngikhulumela yona kusi kunebantu labo ukuhlala bafaka umhlabathi kulenye into. Now we having a deal mangibekisi. Now we having a deal maybe ne Black Queen, ne? And nebantu bathi besikhuluma Black Queen back. Namhla sila. Nebantu nyalo bohamba baye Black Queen bathi, "Hawu, uniketela abantu aba opportunities lebo banikhuluma kabi." Sebabuthu
That's true.
and if umuntu angase smart enough, ufuna ubuthu bebathini.
That's true.
And lo umuntu angafuni kuva. Athi ya vele banikhuluma kabi, afuna ngena kule space. You understand? Angene kule space, amoshe for 20 minutes andlula phela. Kanti lebesena mhlambe lento for lifetime. You understand ukuthi umuntu hey dog. I love him.
That's the issue with black people.
Yeah.
That's why the fun man.
Yeah, we don't dog.
And you know what's crazy?
Yeah.
We're talking about this, it happened. She told me about it. It happened.
Yes.
Then bang by niggas straight.
Yes.
You understand? But I feel like as a unit or as a group, as us,
Yes.
we're gonna grow into this.
Yeah, we will.
And as we grow, even the finances will grow.
Yeah, we'll grow.
Even the exposure, fame, you understand? Let's not take clout and fame for the good.
Into lebalekile my brother. Funa sathi kusibiya kuphi and siyapi.
Dark.
You understand?
Yeah.
Asabuko sisibuyaphi. Sibuya kusisiyaphi guys.
Thina sesibona sikhona khona nyaka kusi dog nyalo basi ma Black Queen makuba na ngibanga nje la Angelique uyonginika 10 minutes naye ukuthi sibe ne episode naye just for 10 minutes ngase sine equipment bafu asanaki lokuningi kanti we don't
And the next time Jelix ufonela wena ukuthi mfethu
yeah labantu bakho ngisabafuni
yeah.
dog yekela dog ngichamukela abantu nabo from shooter ngefone
Kanti singabamba na song udaba mfethu
dog
Angelica ngeke
dog
sisahlukaniseki.
you understand so funa siyadi lento ukuthi siyipusha iya ku direction. You understand? Siyipusha iya ku direction dog. Dog, you told me many times dog. Shani my episode angathi busy. And you saw ukuthi if we planning nalabanye abantu back disappointed. People they disappoint.
I was a guest.
Yes.
In this podcast. And I told you my plan was to start my own
podcast.
But then I was like, there's no need for me to start my own podcast. Because there's already a podcast. And then like Jabisa Koneku. Why not put that in the pedestal? You understand?
Shout out to subscribers, dog. We're having 407.
I saw it, dog. I'm checking every day, man. Please hit the subscribe button.
People they don't know.
Like button.
Abayat subscribe. I know that. Yeah, that red thing.
Yeah.
And babukela njani?
People they watch.
It was like Come on, I was like, "Ubunganile." I said,
Don't be
"Yonke."
pull the one. And sinenhlanhla mina ngatshela nomemva ukuthi ma episode akho bawubuyela from ekuqaleni until ekugcineni.
Yeah, they watch.
But people they forgot to subscribe.
Yeah,
dog.
they
They
don't
didn't know.
subscribe.
They didn't know
That's the
what
thing. They don't
subscribe is.
They don't subscribe.
They didn't know what subscribe is.
Shout out to those who watch.
Shout out. We're growing every day.
As Khulume
Baby
Podcast
step.
every
Baby
Tuesday
step. Black Queen.
and Thursday.
Yeah. Black Queen is sponsoring us, guys. Anyone who knows sponsor. No matter us blog.
Anything.
Nje.
We're gonna be here.
Slow.
Yeah, no matter pin pop dog. We'll
Mama,
be here.
slow,
dog.
listen, Nje.
We'll be here.
Dog.
Mm.
Flo Shibam.
Ish. That guy. Yeah.
I don't know what happened, but I saw it
We're
trending.
trend
bro.
dog. We're trend dog.
People are saying Flo is shooters.
Yeah, Scarlet.
I saw Flo is trending, but I'm not sure. I don't have the backstory, so I don't know exactly what happened.
Never, yeah. Now I don't know.
But it seemed like he is leaving
The party.
the MK.
But if you speak the truth, dog, ne, the MK party, yakazuma dog. It belongs to the Zuma family. Phela Floyd Shibambo ngathi ulwa na who's the daughter of Babe Zuma?
Tutuzile.
It's Duduzile Zuma.
Duduzile.
They are fighting. And Floyd, if isikhuluma amaqiniso dog, ukhulumela ulwela into lethi ngasithi call.
Okay.
It's just ukuthi bomcrasha.
Okay, can
Yeah.
I I'm not putting can I give you a scenario?
Yeah.
If you're queen, yeah,
Yeah.
ne?
Yeah.
Unemfati nebantwana.
Yeah.
And then umfati wakho has Butlumncane.
Yeah.
Butlumncane has the same vision, same dreams as you do. You understand? In order for Iple Queen to success, yakhe Iple Queen. And then
Yeah, but dog.
you
Let's
understand,
do
and then you see, I'm getting too old to run this place. I need someone young because I don't have the vigorous anymore. When you share about
Niggas, bro.
your kids,
Yeah.
even though they don't have the same,
Uzo noma banayo.
I'm saying they don't.
Oh, they don't. Ah, no.
Only put Waseso House, but have the same vision as you do.
We need to go in paperwork, dog. Paperwork. Into lebalekile what's writing in paper. Now we having
That's
afana
what
kutsala
I'm
boko.
saying. That's what I'm saying, my brother. There's no need for Zuma to leave EMK to Tutuzile Zuma if Tutuzile Zuma doesn't have
Anganayo,
the same
mm,
sentimentals as he does. Ungathola ukuthi Floyd Shibambo have the same goals, same dreams as Jacob
Yeah.
Zuma, but Tutuzile doesn't.
I
But
get
in order for
but Mazulu, sorry to cut you. Mazulu amilano. Whatever no uyembini wena ushayela ngembama. Mine wena wasekhaya funa sishayena but ngwela wrong. You understand?
But
Bona ngathi ba act njalo sometimes.
this is not about Ushai Angabuni.
Ngiyabekisa yeah.
Angabuni. At this point, Angabuni.
Yeah.
Yeah, so kumele ukuthi like
Bamelana.
bamelana kodwa even nalabo.
Lona babona ngathi nguyele to bacabanisa nyalo. Noma cha mngene le right.
My brother, you want to tell me what if Tutuzile is saying,
Papa
no,
no.
he's not saying, no,
But
let's
Papa
Tabanese.
yacabanisa uthini? And sebacabana vele babona noma sekakhuluma ipoint e right. Umuntu omdzala sokuphela umuntu omdzala makakhula. Dok umuntu omdzala makakhulu ubuyele ebantwaneni. That's one thing you need to know. Umuntu omdzala makakhulu ubuyele ebantwaneni. Lo muntu omdzala so uba mntwana. And lo mntwana akhe uyamtala. Understand? Tsala hamba naye through thick and thin. Lo so tofika nyalo ukuthi umuntu omdzala ubuyele ebantwaneni.
No, udala bebemntana but mina ngibona kwami ne. Ekaro.
Bye.
Tutuzile nabakuthi alindele baba wakhe.
Yeah, vele
Wasekhaya.
Yasekhaya le.
Yeah.
But wait, even if you don't share the same
Yeah,
sentiments,
even if mina ngibone njalo lapha ukuthi ngathi noma
then
kunjani.
the legacy is gonna die.
They are killing it.
Mara wasekhaya.
Dog, if, like I'm saying, if I feel like, if I'm you, now, if the queen, yeah, and I see with my kids, they don't have the same as I do, but Sbaru Mlumnane does have the same. It's my duty to keep this legacy alive for their grandkids. And understand this. He will be just an employee. You understand?
Yeah.
Sbaru, I'm gonna leave. We CEO.
Yeah.
If the queen. We're running it. You're not the owner. You are the CEO. You run the place. You understand? Because you have the same values as I do. You have the same ideas for the place as I do.
Yeah.
But I see, I want this to be a success. I don't have the strength to make it a success.
Yeah.
But I do want to see my grandkids live off this thing. You understand? But I know if I give this thing to my kids, you're paid. So what do? I'm gonna give you a task. Here's a contract. You are a CEO, Chief Executive Officer for this place.
Yeah.
You run this place. But you are not a shareholder. They are the shareholders. They have majority shares. So, I'm the one who's appointed. You understand?
Yeah.
I'm the CEO here.
Hey,
I make the rules
lapha
here.
ngibona ngathi lo muntu omzala akekho kule point leyo.
That's what I'm saying.
Kulento lehle leyo.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I
Imagine-
feel like, and I'm not saying.
Imagine singabikisa solo ukuvala umlomo. Kulento ngathi yente kathi kubasco.
Oh, for
Yeah,
real?
ngathi something lefana naleyo ukuthi uyabona ukuthi ama-shares bawanika nebelungu ukuthi bawarun la abantu babe khona. You understand? And uyabona ukuthi iyasebenza nje.
Can I ask? Are the Matsebula families? You mean them?
Yeah.
Do they still have a part?
Yeah, they still have. Yeah, they still have.
Then they make more
Yeah.
money than they ever did
Yeah.
before.
Yeah,
Because
yes, we run lento le. If ngiyabekisa angisho ukuthi if ngabe berana ngibe ngabe wi. But I don't think ngabe bekhona la ikhona
I don't
khona.
think, I don't think they would be
Yeah,
that
understand?
successful.
Yeah. Dog, another training stories area a lot, dog. Tiningi. Shebe shit vuswe ngibhora ngisafuna ukukhuluma
Can
ngayo.
we
Sorry,
talk about that?
sorry about.
Can we talk about
Sorry
that?
vuswe
I'm
ngibhora.
very
Yeah,
disappointed.
yeah.
Can we talk
Ishma
about
no,
that?
yeah.
I saw the video.
Mm-mm.
I saw the video. And I knew there was something off.
Mm-mm.
Okay. I don't want to play. Let me play good cop, bad cop. Okay? I'm not a fan of
Shebe shit.
not even Shiba Shit. I'm not a fan of that music.
Okay.
What is it? What's it called?
Legendre
Yeah,
yakhona sini.
Kapa
Yeah.
something.
Lula ngathi umkalathi kunemathathu.
Yeah.
Oh, ayi lo edlame lo.
That him.
I hate him.
I'm not a fan. But my
Sorry,
side,
but
Yeah,
no.
and I love my cards.
I'm not a fan of those
Sang.
that type of music. That's not my genre, and I understand. But I understand the unity they had
Yeah.
as Limpopo people.
Yeah.
Hence why they always plug each other. They always plug. I remember I was at I think it was a wedding, and there was a huge star. I didn't know this girl was a star.
Okay.
There was this girl, a lady, not even a girl, because she's not young. I forgot put my bit on a bag. Ooh, I'm sorry, man.
Yeah.
I forgot the name, but she's usually popular.
Yeah,
She's
yeah.
the real. She's like my cousin. She's
Okay.
big. Well,
So now talking about my
yeah, I didn't know about her. I was like, okay. But I listened, and I remember Shiba Shit wasn't that big, but Yo Shatoloyo, she spoke of Shiba Shit and
that
said,
woman.
yeah, and she was like, you guys can check out my boy Shiba Shit on
promote, yeah.
yeah, on
Blah, blah, blah.
what streams,
Yeah,
what.
yeah.
They plug each other.
Mm-mm.
And then Shiba Shit blew up. And then I remember seeing the episode, the Shiba Shit podcast and chill.
Aye.
And I'm watching it. And I'm
But
like,
the episode
Everybody
yaba boom.
everybody was on the premium. Everybody was talking Shiba Shit.
Yeah.
I'm like, what's the fascination about this guy? Man? I don't understand what's this. Yeah, well, fast forward, I see what you call the videos of Shiba Shit Shabbat. I see videos of Shiba Shit doing this.
No,
Next thing you know, her
Mm.
child is killed in an accident which he caused. Next thing you know, it's this and that. I'm like, no man, this kid, something's off.
I
It's
used to
mad,
think
man.
it's maybe like he's on drugs.
Maybe we don't know.
I used to
Maybe,
think that.
yeah. Ningasbo peace. Maybe.
But I used to
Allegedly.
think-
No, because on that video, the latest video, there was a
test.
rock, a rock. Is it a rock pipe?
Okay.
Lelo babema
Yeah,
ngayo.
yena bekakhona live nyalo.
Yeah, kule video, kule live yakhe, the
Facebook,
latest,
yeah.
yeah. Bekune uhledi.
Ayi.
Yabona,
Yeah.
uhledi macacca uyasukuma makasukuma.
So khohlini.
Leli pipe left by rock. Lisala lapha phasi esitulweni.
And live.
Ulive, uyahamba. I see the guy, there's a guy. But there was a guy there who tried to cover.
Yeah,
and then
exactly.
trying to cover the pipe.
Exactly.
Again, another live. Same week, dog. Same week, another live.
Shebe bantwana.
Another live. Now this guy's now. He's busy on the live. He's talking. Uyasukuma, makasukuma. I think we started the very same pipe because there's this guy there, Well Tata, and I don't think Gaklika to the guy was actually this it's not supposed to be on live.
But
We
what's
have
it?
we have a comb. Hey, we have come on. No, there's a guy. I think yeah, with that pipe. I'm not sure.
Yabona imedia say disrespect motho permit.
My you want a pipe. The other guy who sells in work, who sells in work, they ain't touching the pipe. I want. Who don't come out them face, who we say. You understand? She was hey, and then they try to
Cover something up, but then they're empty because the Oshai not be live or shoot or call live or shoot it.
No, into the
Eish. Yabona ukuthi eish then eish.
we all have totolosis.
And ngisho ukuthi lesinye
I
isikhathi
understand.
ulive and usokhohle ukuthi nyalo sengibhizi ngani and
But
I think you need to be on your senses, proper senses.
But as a public figure, dog.
Mistakes, dog.
Indaba ilive maybe yende la great phone.
Oh, uyakhohlwa.
Okay, let's say you're an actress right now. And you want to be in the game for the longest of time. How do you make sure that your image remains intact? Your reputation remains clean? Because I feel like there's a cheat code they call now, which everybody doesn't see.
I think why people always like ban batabuka le reason ukuthi bakwende maybe ube muntu nama me human being. I also make mistakes.
100%.
Ungangithola la like senza kakhulu sengishintshe tomatafuni lese ngishoot. Look at the girl in kumbe mina ngela ngibethe ngingatami ngiyetikhumulele ngihambe emgacweni. Bayazini.
Office bakhona wakhumulile mina.
But you guys. And it's not like maybe like I'm fighting with someone, but I'm saying shoot. Yeah, na very damn appreciate it. No, you don't know the story and to what happened.
Better
Public.
if you're a brand of something, it's something else.
Yeah, like you have to
understand?
respect, like.
My brothers, there's someone who does it effortlessly. There's someone who does it effortlessly, my brother.
You have to respect yourself.
Exactly. Exactly.
But this thing is like being mamfundis.
Thank you. Yes.
This thing is like being mamfundis. You have to.
Yes. My brother,
treat yourself.
Casper Nyovest does it. Casper, he's had your lives. Comes out the small does it.
Ngambali case but mana nguye lo dominator kakhulu ngethi
But
ma
it's
video
not
nje
something silly.
yeah
You understand?
oh yeah something
It's not
silly
something silly. My celebrities like Kodak Zan, for instance, DJ Spoo, been in the game for the longest of time. DJ Fresh, been in the DJ Fresh go over Tikanda, but ubema matracks
mara akaze uhlanganise into uthi ngito uzusana ama puzzles
yeah, but there's always been
covered
you want people alleged but you've never seen it.
Yeah.
You understand? This today, dog.
sesiphakathi ema-18 shito lo mfana sesiphakathi ema-18 sekubhizi and phela njengoba sisho ukuthi uma soyi-brand dog upush i-brand yakho dog. If you're walking down the street you're a brand yourself, you understand? You're pushing your own brand whatever it is but soyi-brand awusafani nalinda lo wakudzala wesiphathi sonemntwana, you understand?
My brother, let me tell you something that happened. Let me tell you something that happened, my brother. I'm complex. I'm buying something. Hey, come to street girls. Bad dude. I want. Hey, and then, like Lula Corner, then Lula, I want on the other thingy. I'm like, I think I need to do something. I want to see you with this thing.
Bathini.
Bathini, bro.
Bathini
I
lapha.
want. Like, the podcast.
soyi-brand yebo soyi-brand. Soyi-brand, you're out there. If there are 100 and something people they're watching you on YouTube, you're a brand dog. So don't let into setanganawo emgwaceni you need to think ukuthi dog phela mina bongishutha lenye nabo bafake ivideo bathi lo podcast loya no Bridget wena bahlala bashama episode labanyalo ngiwe lo akhuluma ngale banye abantu kabi but yena wenda it's a brand phela awucabanga cabanga ukuthi nyalo soyi-brand until ubona lo munye umuntu ukuthi soyi-brand. But when yourself awuti-notice ukuthi uyi-brand. You understand? You understand?
I'm still the same guy. And then, you know what's crazy?
We live laphana. How many people they are watching now? It's my brand. We growing the brand. One day you do ufake iskipa sakho sansani se brand yakho whatsoever. So push brand yakho. So you need to behave a certain way.
No, but for me,
not to change.
But for me, my brother, fortunately, I don't need to change.
Yeah, oh, when you cook.
Always
low, yeah.
I'm always be like, hey, but this one for me.
I'm noisy.
This one, this one is not make sure, my brother. This one is not make sure, my brother. This one,
get adlalo la. Alifako.
My brother.
Aside.
Probably network.
The network thing. Linda, what about me? What's wrong?
My brother, this one, my brother.
So man, angangiphendule la ukuthi ugcina umlanzi kathi uyagula.
No, you're like
Bofuneka
sleep. I'm like spinning.
Bengo ema 19.
Yeah.
Dog mina ngabe ningifonele besihleli. Mina ngithole
Ngisho ukhona around.
No, bese Emara, there's a nice place Emara dog, Il Plaza. No lo Kasvani or something like that. Walk something about.
Oh, I saw that.
Yeah, so they say when I'm event about there's a nice place dog. Nice place.
My brother, you did the podcast.
Yeah. So
you get invited to
angisho ukuthi spinning angikume njani. But ngiyathi usilaphana ngohlane nemuntu you understand so like yeah. Yeah.
That day.
Sine semlilweni dog. Semlilweni laphana sicoca is highly impossible usisilo sodwana because lo hamba nalo nana siyabonana siyatana because siyahloniphana. Spinning anything is possible dog. I'm not saying as mina songikhulupela mina now I'm 32. You understand? So mansana 25 nanyala kusafana. You understand? Yathi ngibona ngani ukuthi ngikhulile. Ngibona mangi-drive kusala bengiphula seat. Nyala ngikhona. Ngiyibeka straight nya. You understand? So ngila ngibona khona ukuthi no I'm no longer that. Yeah, I'm not So spinning siye ngo9 beksa yabo. Mina mangifika vele ngabatshengisa angeke ngikhona kuhlala. But wena uthi no I can't. No, besides Mr. Podcast, una 8, ngiyoshuta ilo screwing nana. Mina ngihambe kakhulu screwing
Here's
to.
something that trended locally, my brother.
Yeah.
The issue of cars.
Sayibuyile futhi again.
Leligas.
Ba.
This past weekend, my brother.
Lapha spinning.
That's the reason like
but my bullet won't get my Caliban, my brother.
Yeah, if I bullet I'm not going to control my reset. That's why shooting range.
What's the issue? I understand the outcome. What's the issue? Why am I calling Bamsako, Sibe safe, Stalin?
I think Bafama Legas Banan, the dying.
But that's not the style though. It's a style.
It's a style. Yeah. I think.
Fishy.
Because state
Imagine sebangene ekhayini dog.
and guys if
Also nimhlaba.
bullets yabuyi ishaya i-windscreen ngebhuti lokudi usuyayithenga le mfana
Baningi abantu abafile dog bangathi babulawa isibhamu inhlamba echamuke kubo. Many dog. Layilikazi mina I know them. Angifuni ukuboshwa kusasa but
no way, my brother. Let's call my brother.
Yeah.
Shout out to the guys out checking my dog. Shout out to them. Big up to them.
Yeah.
Working. So, like me corner, there's a guy.
Yeah.
People was to the Keller Scott. Look where you're opposite and so. Where keep 1-2. After 1-2, man, put go street. Bam! I'm like,
Danko means thank you.
Danko
means thank you. No, shout out to that person. Dog.
escrewing phela kuyeni bantwana abancane mina
Kuya nebomake. Screwing. Kuya nebomake. Ukilo lapha mara kutsala. Ayinyalo. Mina ngitsala kusafika abo given kodwa stage. Wena bokuphuma netinja. Hey. Yeah, khona lo stage it was nice. So, netinto dog ne, utende ume limit. You understand? Yabona if unganamntwana, unga represent anything in life. Yenda dog. An explanation because mina nakunyalo mina mntwana mina 8 mangisi mina athose papa manje yini lokho ngimphendula ngitsini sekusasa makenda yena mina ngimkhutha njani
but here's my chat.
yes
Don't you feel like when you stop doing, okay, this may come in 2 points. Don't you feel like when you stop doing those things, you're giving an opportunity for her to do those things?
yeah na ifuna ndlule somewhere
But she's still young.
Mina phela ndlule somewhere.
No, malaka sekafike age
Njengoba
Oh,
baba uyasikhuluma mina. My father is famous.
so
Baba mudumile, baba uyasikhuluma.
umbani baba
Mzambi. Muzi.
wasemthethwana
Yeah.
ngiyabona fana naye shara athi muzi namama shara yabona nemotion njani ngibona yena straight
Yes. Baba, my father is famous.
baba very chance screw musikwazi kanatha nasti ntshona
Uthi nje unamtshalantu lo ya. But ngithi nina labona khona ukuthi if I go there
ngihlangana nomntwana wami yeah
bese akasayi. Yabo njenganyalo kuyafuna phela ngegroup etela bo but he knows ukuthi if I'm going to be there, Usipho will be there.
and the West part so and sorry West part ne baba kucisha udate nebana abalingana nabo
Yes.
yeah
Vele, that's true.
so yeah
Then he must be looking young then.
no vele ngani if you're a guy dog you need to date someone younger than you
So, unalende ukuthi noma etikhanye umuntu you know asamafihla but ngiyabona ukuthi ngikhulile namhlanje.
Yeah. So you understand ukuthi yabona la limitation unless kuthi ngile baba fika ukuthi bas screw le weekend buye baby can ngambe now.
Can I ask you guys this question?
Yeah.
When is the correct age to be out the street? To be off loud? What am I?
No, I say she's out the street but buka la uya khona.
Yeah.
You understand? As mina njengoba ngitshela ngisimine la bengikhona khona behleli abantu abadala. Mina I was the youngest lapha bengikhona. Makhaphula abaningi balapha. Socialize yabo sicoca something le lo noma kuhenywa akuhenywa ngale indlela leya you understand phela like dog sikhuluma ngokuconga kuba clean imagine so screwing so phuma so buye so nuka dust so ini you understand you understand sibunyelo kakhulu dog you understand so you need to nyala sibunyelo intuthu sihleli sibothela mlilo sihleli
Siyaphekiwa.
sicoca something
Conversation is
Yeah, that's nice.
Angizuthi ungayi emgwaqeni.
Yeah,
Yeah, you understand?
But I've never been for the streets, bro.
Wena ne? Hayi mina ngihambe kakhulu dog. Hayi mina ngihambe kakhulu.
It's only now because of this whole DJing thing also. But as soon as I'm done with my set, do you know what that is when
Yeah.
I leave, dog.
nama ngikho because I feel like uhlangana lapha. Uhlangana lapha. So, naye mina ukuthi uhlangana noSipho, uhlangana noSipho.
Nethuna sabana, lo
Oh,
sabana.
that's good.
Yeah, you know. Njengasisi ngina you know, utota la 28 studio kama
Yeah, very so was screwing no
I'm very out. I'm very aware.
Time up!
Boso khuluma about this thing of tibhamu tokudutsula nana usibani basengazi baboshwe ne. Bekunale episode trend nale clip le trendako ya other guy uLwada. Ukhuluma about lama podcast akhuluma kakhulu ngema about ukuboshwa abantu bakhuluma ejele ne. Uthi abantu bakhuluma manga about lapha kakhulu ku scheme GP yabo ngani ngiyocishe le kakhulu ngabantu bakulo uthi abantu bakhuluma manga yeah the stories many stories that's kude umuntu ovuma ukuthi nokuyile bamdlingula ejele kumbe bekayicherry ejele yeah
Abani bani?
abakrep bakusoma ejele babasho yeah
That guy,
yeah
I've never
you never hear anyone asking me yebo mina
never.
try this one
Malini?
as a break jam
Yeah, the copies are in young fish. So, bapu
dog
so malete.
you're not drinking
Okay.
okay yeah
Bapu so malete bapu
yeah
kumbe.
yes but they say something like that yeah I mean I was arrested 7 days yeah
You were arrested for 7 days.
you don't know my yabona uqinisile noma ukuthi ubute mina kahle kahle about stories there are many stories that now nibe nema episode ngami le
Yeah, so I was thinking.
so who's the out now there are many people lapha ku platform ne and they play they but my claim a pig yabo and they are talking lies mina bakaze na uzoba bangakuyeni ngani kwaba ne story sakhe yena scheme kusinoyo angakhuluma bebamdavaza le ejele scheme usolo umlazi ukuthi wona scheme ositshela wena nana. I don't know maybe lo muntu uyafuna trend or whatsoever.
Oh, I remember that guy.
But there's no one dog lovuma ngathi mina bangishaya. There's no one. Uthi a dog laphana uthi sikhaba abantu almost every week baya kubane what do you call this thing? What's ngonje? Cancer yanga pass what's ngonje? What cancer man? What do you call?
Wait, prostate.
Hayi man ubale what cancer man uzibakudavaza ngaphansi. Usibana mani ujomana umuntu connect up iphone ngaphansi. Aconnect up amukhwa. Aconnect up imali. Ukuthotha up ngama ukucala yeah, baqala ngomdavaza. And bayakhuluma phela labanye abantu lapha podcast bathi mina bengapha yini mara kakhuluma usibe bamdavaza. And that guy was talking the truth. Yathi ukhathi man so man ngicela ngivale. Yathi ukhuluma ngane uthi the podcast ayikuthi unenkinga nayo. Unenkinga ngokuthi bantu bena ngasi yeah and bena ngasi ijele kublind. Kani kune youth lekune understand ukuthi ejele akusinzawo lungatifisa kuba kuwe. And uthi umuntu angabhanti into acoba aboshwe more than 10 years upwards agwejiwe. Akabuye normal la ngaphandle. Uba naya kahle yabo se bathi bona ba promote talent lapha kule podcast ngathi bona ejele kunzima but uthi ngene ukhala ngaloko ukuthi bantu babhora yeah
7 days inside
7 days
Mahuma, my brother, were you normal? I know it's a short time, it's a very short time for effect.
You can't be normal like how my brother now uvalele endlini for 7 days ne ube ne routine ukuthi ngo8 uyahamba uyophaka kudla yabo uyabuya bakhiyela inzambama uyophaka kudla ngo3 nyalo sabaphaka etsala futhi ngo3 ngo1 ngesikhatsini baphaka etsala bacenzile ngabaphinze bawavuleka. You understand? It's a routine, a daily routine, it's a everyday routine. Ungakhona wena? Yeah.
You want to tell me ukuthi njengoba sebadlile nyama?
Ongiba sekuthola.
Sebakusasa.
Yeah, phelile. Yeah. Nyalo sikhatsini osekule. Tsala bakhona kunosi babuya kophaka. Ekseni uyavuka dog. Mawuvuka mhlambe ne clean fast, mhlambe ne shower, umuntu shower umuntu buya kophaka.
Njalo
Nonke. Na nginiketa nama 10.
Man, was it Emaseleni or prison?
Prison. In town.
You went in the eye, my brother.
Same. Sekutholakala every day ekseni. Banibutha ikhaluthini. Sikhalo sibosho niyakutsa dog. Every day niyakutsa. Nikutsa nga 2. Awu niyahlonipha phela. Ngani I routine lapha. Every day niyabutha lona sikhalo bangirebhile dog. Bangishayile dog. Ngishoda ngensibi. Every day is a routine. Sikhalo every day. Niyahamba wanihamba ufuna ube nesikhaftini dog. Ekseni uthatha inisingwa bathi kalkop. Yabona nje
Kalkop,
yeah, yaba. Bathi ijama kumbe so yaba. Say you need to have a cup. Kuze kumbe noma ibhodlela yotsela khona le tea. It's hot dog ngale nsimbi leya. Ungakhona kulinatha for 10 minutes. Seconds ngiyabekisa sorry. Yangana mawungena lapha bakunika spoon. Mawungena mawungena you fall.
Yeah.
Bakunika spoon. Dog second kalkopa ekseni. Niyabuya na routine so kune tafula lapha. Niyahamba nje izenke lonke. Ufuna lapha fast ufake tuwelona yakho.
Yeah.
Awuphumi lapha eminyango ungashiya nga spoon pass. If ungana spoon lapha awuphumi lapha. Sikule spoon. Yangana Lokuya uyobeka mhlambe uyokudla mawubuya uphaka kwesi2 if you see sakho siva ngathi sigrand yabo mawuphaka kwesi2 kanti sodla lokuqala.
Do you have a question for him?
No,
the question bombuda nombude futhi.
Boyindeni.
No, it was statutory rape.
Oh.
Yeah, statutory rape, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Dating na umncane and have sex and kind of case.
But
Yeah.
the problem is you're underage.
Yeah, but yeah. So
Yabokujwayele abantwana kodwa.
no, bantwana ba attract nasibana batsala. Ngilena ngitshela yona umgwaco dog. Umgwaco uyohlangana nabantwana.
Mina nomuntu no story relationship. Mina yabona mina yabona labo okay. Bangiyenyisa.
They don't talk.
Because okay, them I was also I'm a victim also.
Okay.
But awuna labo. Ukuthi bona bathe ngathi bona vele okay, phela depende ukuthi rekhaba mfana. Kama mfana uyendani? Lapha sibuke Netflix.
Phela khumbula ukuthi yabathini emsede ukuthi umcinzitele ngokomcondo because she's younger than you.
Hayi.
Mina awaso lucky dog ne ukuthi lo mntwana bekalwa ne family yakhe. What's
Also,
here
the family put her into
Yeah,
this thing
yeah,
with the
yeah.
baby.
But
And
Dad-
then wala, yabo? Wala bro, you understand? I'm so proud of that. Shout out to them. So I'm going to be over there. This thing
Yeah.
I like about that guy because ban bakhuluma ngathi ijele kumnanzi. Yabo and bakhuluma ngathi ejele. Uthi ejele kuyoba safe for wena if unemali.
I have a brother of mine
Yeah.
who went to prison. For, I think it was domestic violence.
Yeah, how many years?
I think Valera for a few months.
No, a
It
few
was
months. I know we need a person like you.
Echo,
Yeah.
Magapuma.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ngathi uyahlanya.
Ha.
Yeah.
Le athi the two were like your fate.
Unzile wena nina.
Yeah, daughter.
Nami nginaye futhi lo kuyetshele.
Yeah. So we need to invite such people to educate machilas wethu.
And he was
Because
like,
dog,
I'm not going back there. It's not
Yeah.
nice.
It's not nice.
He told me it's not nice. I'm not going back there.
uthi ungeva umuntu athitshela ukuthi ngizobulala ngiyobhantintela awukhuluma imove dog lena.
Yeah, somebody said that we die.
That's the reason ngicele babe mvilaso is really want ukuthi ashare story sakhe.
Yeah.
Bantu bangacabanga ukuthi ejele kunazi. Yakusemnanzi ejele. And yena ngathi ubuye ecishe somari too ngathi bokutama and they say that's one of the
I think
one of
I think the
top
kid
top 10 of yeah.
like
You understand?
Oh.
yeah,
And you know what's crazy there? Because they don't want, they call it correctional and rehabilitation centers.
I know.
But there's no rehabilitation.
There's no correctional
people
lapha.
damkathaphuma bekathi
Over times two sometimes.
bekathi nasikhaya ungawali nami bengidla lala ngesikhathi vuka ngesikhathi ngiyageza nemasekurity lami gadaba ngawali ngayo he was okay
Yeah, feel secure. Yeah.
mara nangithi ngiyabokisisa kahle lo muntu akasaphuma ngathi mina it's not make sure
Yeah.
It's not
something
the
else.
one, this one.
Yeah, it's not the
lo
one
muntu
don't get
lo muntu akafuka lo muntu yena ufohlala ahayi akafuna ukuhlala ngabhemi akakhoni because like angabhema like angadlanga angabhemi ngathi ukhaya le mata akakhona
And then man,
Okay.
dog,
So-
never okay.
Thank you for that, because this can link us to our topic
Yeah,
of the day,
yeah.
mental health.
Yeah, mental health.
Dog, this thing has been going on forever. I'm sorry to say this.
Yeah,
today.
yeah, yeah.
But remember, mental health is a cool
Yeah.
It wasn't a thing.
Yeah, it
If we're
wasn't.
being honest, it wasn't a thing. Besides doing mental health,
Kuphela amaphepha, yeah.
Because
So awesihlanya indlela tethu. So
Yeah,
noma
yeah.
uyahlanya mina ngiyahlanya.
But
Noma uyahlanya umuntu nomuntu indlela yakhe yokuhlanya.
But back then we thought mental health,
It's
and
that thing, yeah.
it's so sad because in the black community,
Yeah.
it seemed like mental health is now, essentially now,
Yeah.
mental health is seen as that's where it is.
Yeah.
yeah
You understand?
Uyafila.
That's what it
Yeah.
is. Ungamtshela ukuthi I'm depressed, umuntu ubona ngathi uyahlanya lo.
Depression yebelungu usho njalo.
Basho
until uzuzama ukuthi ibulala khaya babone khaya ukuthi there's something wrong with you
Yeah.
mina ekhaya babone nje ukuthi no there's something
Oh,
wrong
no,
with
not
you
yeah. Eh?
Wait.
Ubuyela khona.
Three times. There's something wrong with this one.
Yeah.
Hey, wait. You tried to pressure yourself 3 times.
Commit
Okay,
suicide
Bokala.
3 times.
Ngata stay so upset ngashaka diloke guys abukho mama
Man, how old are you?
ngina 17
What was wrong first? What makes you do that?
guys like I won't
Stay
talk about
soft.
like I won't talk a lot but guys we are going through some things that links are cool
Yeah.
ngathi
Maybe this one is a
like
topic for another thing.
badala bethu you know like labanye like they affect manje wena nikhulumile ukuthi baba ujole tsanga
Yes.
those things affect me a lot like
Yeah.
you know like because ngibuza ukuthi maybe nama ngangenela la nami
Eish.
bese ukuthi khona la nemuntu lengana nami you know
Yeah.
like ish guys kuningi
Yeah,
It
kuningi.
kind of looks like that, dog. Like if you're gonna.
then
if you're
mtshela
gonna date-
mama ukuthi ha uyahlanya wena you
I
know
never take things serious.
like until zabantu bulali okay
Yeah.
kodwa stay stop
Yeah.
kwesithuba winter guys nzambi buhlungu don't even think about it
Whoa.
nzambi buhlungu guys ngasuta ngayo
Waiter.
guys no more going
Waiter. no more cocktails. Waiter, no more cocktails. I want to be out suicide.
nzambi buhlungu guys maphilisi ngala 3 days
It's about family, ne? Not boyfriends.
Not boyfriends, female.
And I'm sure
That's the reason when I like get a relationship, then I become
And you
attached to
know,
this person. Then I feel like it's my same way. I love him more than anything.
Yayibona le problem thina bantu
Because
bethu benenjani thina sibantwana.
unginika lethelo mina ikhadi
Yeah,
engingalitholanga.
lo nga receive, yeah.
Bese ngithola kubani duke mfana. And which is mfana maybe ngikho lapho komini lapho.
Yes.
You know like ukuthi with this thing.
So you see, we need people like these ones. That's why the reason besimthingana noXolo, because angabi nesikhathi is enough for yena. Yabo? The more siba like platform, the more we share things, the more we relieve at the dark. Yeah. You understand?
you try to hang yourself.
Brian I'm big blue.
Manje bakuthola yini?
Fuck of it.
Bakuthola uleng.
Baba. That's what I'm gogo futhi.
Oh.
Bafuna bakubhamule musblind.
Gogo. Wangishaya. Inslani. Angishaya gogo inslani wangishaya. Then gogo bekathi every Sunday after church. How was your week? Are you okay?
Yeah.
How are you coping?
That's what you
Eat,
want.
eat,
Yeah,
eat.
that's what
Then
you want.
I think ngathi ngazama kuba right, but ngikho right short.
Usaphila Gogo.
Yeah.
Shout out to Gogo.
Yeah, but
Shout out to the
Mane yasengcono nya.
yeah, I'm okay now, but no.
It's a show.
Are you okay now?
Not 100%. So dog, if she calls you,
Are you okay
listen up here. Hey you, if she calls you, use gigini uya DJ. If una transport kolo mlanza sha. Mina ngigigi mina.
I feel that's when my brother, when you have lessons to start.
No, mina ngigigi dog.
My dog, to kill yourself.
Bra.
Guys, we thina sibona ngathi I-chat yebelungu. Usimhlala phansi nemntwana yakho nemntwana kimi. Asihlale phansi is a family gathering, family dinner in asikweni thina lokho. Hey hamba lapha wena, phangisa.
Yeah, that's it. That's
The only way that I stop thinking about
That's the only
myself,
thing we
Benjani. Papa, what beggars pampas? But I guess I don't want to come back last week. Telling the cheese
You see that one?
what, Tina?
You see that one?
Oh,
And it worked.
but that's not a key, bro. That's not key.
No, listen, it's not a, what you call this?
Not a solution.
I say solution. But it's a way to stop her from trying. It doesn't mean she won't be depressed or she won't have mental health issues. But thinking about killing yourself, you'll be like, hey, Mara, I brought you in this world, I'm going to take you out.
Yeah. Papa was like, I'll put you here.
Manje, okay, my man.
I'm gonna take you back.
My man, dog, when I think it's maybe kumnetsi. Imagine it, my man. Imagine it, maqedza kuhamba. Athi Ncube abhale i-suicide note. Uthi papa bekafuna ukungibulala mina. Ngiyabekisa. Phela to change stories dog umuntu makasangekho there are many stories to ngiyabekisa yeah. You understand? But guys, setsinga hlala phansi nebatali bethu bahlale phansi nathi. Yabo, sihlale phansi sibe ne-chat dog.
Even nothing lokuthi sajona lanyana. Bakikubalekile ufuna kumbuza ukuthi how is it going?
Yeah,
How
it
is
is.
it going?
Oh manje uyathola Band.
Dog, I feel like our parents, which are the people of Avile, apartheid, those were hard times for them. So, they view struggle differently. For them, struggling doesn't have to be mentally.
Yeah.
For them, struggling is physical. Yeah, and understand? Because if you think about it, what white people were doing to our black parents, mothers and fathers, all those things, that would have caused us mental health issues easily. You understand? But because of who evolve and but they can't adjust. But okay, a child doesn't only need a mother. A child also needs a friend. They need to talk. You understand? Because when
I'll go open.
I go free.
Yes, sir.
Yodate nemuntu lolingana nababa wakhe ngiyabekisa. You understand? Ambona ngibabe boyfriend at the same time.
And then they
understand?
because remember it's a relationship.
Yes.
So they get chance to talk. I feel at ease, man.
That's the reason me, the job I mean, when I can get on the moon, I feel safe. I feel like, no,
You see?
no, man, it's cool. It's my father, it's my brother, it's my friend. It's like, so Imbonga so ungongeni leyithi ngako then lama ngeze like ngizama ukutshela ukuthi what's going on. But the problem is bafana futhi sasathukuthwa inkinga takho. Ayo inkinga takho.
Oh, thina sokhuluma inkinga takho.
Sasaphila ke wena mfana nathola umpelane wena.
Yeah, no, but that's the reason, dog. Nami bekunako lokho angry kakhulu bese ngiphumela yini ne. I won't say I'm perfect. But the more ngikhulile njenganyalo ne, ngifundzile tonke into efana naleto. You understand? That's the reason I give myself time. Ngidinika isikhathi sami. You understand? Yeah.
I have to give flowers where flowers is due.
Yeah.
Shout out to you for being honest.
Yeah.
I really adore it. Shout out to you for being honest. This girl, bruh, first day. Remember the first time we
Yala wena. Ngani unafuna mina?
Remember that day? Jealous, I don't understand.
You're busy chatting.
Whole night, yakhuluma le wanjo.
Yeah.
I'm like, nah, that's a real one. Shout out to you,
Yeah.
my brother. But I have to say shout out to you.
Thanks. Shout out to you too,
There
dog.
was a time, my brother, where I remember, but I was on his way.
Yeah, mina ngibuye ehlangile. Basho njalo.
I don't wanna feel this.
Not the normal one.
I don't wanna feel it. And I'm like, guys, give the bro time.
Yeah. Go and chat to that guy.
Talk to the guy. That's what I said when people started to
Nama was like Panoganyoni.
I'm like, did you go and listen?
Yeah. Bantu beveling eligama sebathi nginjalo. Ngilendo nosho ukuthi uve bathi. Awukafuna ukuvela wena to the horse's mouth.
You were one of those kids. They drink, they smoked.
I know I never smoked.
You never smoked?
I never.
Even Zon?
No. Dlalela
I know girls were you things, my brother.
Aye, number one.
I know girls were you things, my brother. I remember
Yeah. Yeah.
Girls were you things.
No matter. Natural. Fame. Yeah, it was fame. Bekwatiwa ukuthi nebafana bakanyoni nazibani yabona nazibani.
Nama was like Panoganyoni.
Yeah.
Other guys, they had some guy. I was like, do you know them?
Yeah. Oh, basho kuwe. Nyalo about this podcast thing.
Panoganyoni, then there's this other guy in some.
Yeah. Oh, before you meet.
No!
Oh, nyalo recent. What's in there?
No, but after singing the podcast.
Oh, okay.
After singing the podcast.
Nah.
So, there was a time where
She's caught.
you were the shit.
Yeah, she's caught.
But I'm glad we see, because if you're being honest though,
Yeah.
there's people who lived like you.
Yeah.
Yeah. And till today, they still live like that.
Times two. So about
They come further
Uh-uh.
with it.
but
God.
but leave the stage when the people need you that time, ne? But if a stage must say he must be.
Yeah, bro.
You understand?
My brother,
Yeah.
I feel like that's what people, mental health again.
Yeah.
In a stage, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
You understand? Don't live. We have people who talk. Approve.
Shaisana now.
Wait,
Shaisana now.
guys, wait.
Eh, good depend on groove go.
Wait, guys.
Yeah, but because
Lama
so
matter.
nala iliga say it's ingayenza yemagroup man. Okay, to back.
Lama matsala asola sibakhona ashadile.
Thank you.
Not all of them.
Abaleke endlini kwaye abaleke endlini.
Not all of them.
True,
Not all of them.
Yes,
Yeah, not all of them lashati.
But
Yeah.
some, wait, stop. Some they were married
Yeah.
by divorce. And the month after divorce, some final nani, young told.
Yeah.
And so for the bangen, and my dad of that.
Mamela talk. There are some things ne ngiyabekisa uteka usesemncane lesinye isikhathi bakune pressure yesesikoleni yasesontweni yasekhaya yabo usesemncane ucatha kuphuma high school ne dates solo nanani ne varsity uthola umsebenzi bathi mshado lo muntu lo usa experience nothing to and maso sebenza mhlambe umsebenzi umyimbekalelo umyimbekalelo wena njani so ucala enjoy imali yakho.
That's what I remember when I cooked my brother. I told you the story, my brother. The issue with us guys, especially us guys, is 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Yeah.
I would not focus on the net.
Yes.
Because that's where a high school, a university. So you went on
Uqala impilo, yes.
Usayofunda
soyibona bobhemi zoduma dlula loya umshiye lokushini.
usawubona Bridget. But Bridget is not trying to look at you because I'm an ex. You have nothing to offer her.
Yeah.
You understand? Dog, that's why bafati bakula quicker than guys. Because prime yabochiri most times. I think I could be wrong,
yes.
but I feel like prime yabochiri 23, 24, 25, 26, that they're in their prime.
Yes.
Because lapho umuntu so fully matured.
Yes.
Mentally, physically, sexually.
Yeah.
In most cases, even financially.
Yeah.
Because if you think about it, my brother, Bridget was in high school, na Bridget Tomaj, I'm a fan,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Bridget Tomaj is like, hey, I'm the girl. You understand? I'm the girl. Usana nyonida, akana for God.
Yeah, nedutho.
Usamele nesfas.
Yeah.
And then nesfas netso ufuna this away.
Yo!
Nenza cross what nothing nampatala apartment.
When you still have Papa John. Papa John check Papa John shana something nyana Papa John. Papa John something weekend. And you, how old are you? You 25 or you 24? You still in varsity. By the time states, you're trying to span, and most girls have this thing. With my character, they want to settle down.
Yes.
They want to start a family,
They wish,
settle down.
yeah,
Yes,
they
they
wish
have that
Yeah,
thing.
yeah,
You
yeah.
understand? Because they lived through varsity, they were living their life. We were not living our life through varsity because we didn't have the means, the coins, my boy.
Man, I started high school.
The
so
ching ching.
I was a problem child.
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
Yeah.
I'm back at Josie for 3 days, but I'm putting up police.
Hey, wait, no cocktail. No cocktail anymore. Woman aban.
I mean, the perfect give up me man. Guy, who put me in my leaf. Let them go to work.
Yeah.
Let's do Ben. Hop in, Bridget. Be
Yeah.
in the car, Bridget. Guy was telling us something to
Guy in the mouth.
Yeah, but guy, put me in my leaf
Yeah,
and
yeah,
put
yeah.
me in. Something to say, somebody getting it. No, man.
Last year.
Last year.
Oh.
So, bah. It's like the car.
Bad decision.
No, you Friday. I got the brush. Ni Bridget so. I'm not in the car.
Gone.
Josie. You see me, I'm just bad man speaker. Usa bad la me. So be same family. See
Man,
I'm surprised.
That guy is young. Nasi yambona, nasi yampicture it.
Sahamba, nakuthini motel, nasike itayela kuphela mfana. Sifenthi ngebona ngalo mfana lo ya.
Yadimala isepho.
Hayi baba phela live la phela.
Imoti khona.
Good, akalutho. That's life.
Experience dog. You need to experience something.
And it's akasekho.
Awungahlali phela
Ah,
phela.
ngicela ukuthola into kolonyana. Base bose bamlobolile.
Le alfa nebhemo drugs le. Sidla imali sayicetha dog unyalo sebakulobola ngomshini.
Lapho nginambe sekithi iPhone lokaluya. Sorry.
See what I mean?
He was like,
See what I mean? Uyayibona le ngisho ukuthi guy phumele simaka sky boy. Bantwana kalo wozana. Nayimali iPhone
Ngimali yokukhutha leso sikhathi leso.
uyeva yini?
Kuvale so dog. Mangikhuthe ngiyacosha ngicela kwakho.
Over 200 batholekile.
Yeah.
So, over fokon.
Yeah.
Ngoba 200 baba stack. So,
Yeah.
bangababekela bashayela ngebanga.
Yeah.
Over next.
Yeah.
ibaba ngithi mina sengizayibona ngalo mfana lo yabe.
Nahamba Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Ay baba ngabuya ekhaya Sunday late ngoma 7 abangifolele
Bantu after long.
Stapia bangijimisa banginika amanzi ngaxubha ngabagaka siswini. Ngasho nasha mhlana ngokudla ngidlile eJozi le.
Mara wabuya netimahla letinywana. Boyfriend.
Obviously.
Awuzangithola umuntu wena. Phela xa ufuna nibe ngathuthuka kamnanzi njalo.
Bengi plus 1 ngisigozi vela ngabe ngaba nemngalwana.
Uthola umuntu, noma
Mara kanibona bathi imuntu le.
Oh.
Bengena umuntu le.
Nabhuka ihotel. Manje wena ulala wedwana.
Baba.
Uzona weekend yakho beyibhora. Ay weekend yakho beyibhora.
Ayida.
Yo, weekend yakho
Ah,
beyibhora.
no,
Beyibhora bengayibhora bemnanzi but
Mina
No,
nethi wangena
no,
ngasa
listen,
kodwa
listen,
uthi
listen.
ngilambile ngitsela impahla
Listen,
nesikushuni.
my brother, listen. Yakhe benginazo, my brother.
no, but
Because
without the
everything-
bang bang.
Angidliwa angini lutho.
Exactly, my brother.
Mara wona ayimuntu wena.
Nginaye umuntu.
Maye wamtshela ukuthi umuntu wakho.
Phela ngathi ayebheke khapha ngedozi siyabuya.
Hello. Abona ke.
Nabuya navana futhi.
Kahle.
Bengena stress.
Abangana
Bengena stress.
mali. Abangana mali. You understand the nonsense yeah? Oh, bengana mali. You know sometimes
Well,
dog
that's
ngilendo leyasima le must be akuye futhi ukuthi mawuva majida like celeni phela nawe ufuna ukuthi console phela nawe phela ghost uthi yena majida athi yena avela joyina kabe che awuyahlanya you understand being young and nawe mawuhleli phasi on your senses masobuya kahle cha mawumathi umuntu wakho cobo uyamathi umuntu wakhe yabo but fame yakulimata ukuthi ifame yakulimata ukuthi adoka umchaka wena mina bosibani bakufuna wena ubhayizonke lo cherry one but that woman knows you from hunger.
My brother,
And
listen,
listen
listen to me, my brother. There's a saying that says, when you broke, you'll find the woman you need.
Yeah.
When you have money, you find the woman you need.
Repeat.
Repeat.
This one yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Mara katuna something.
Yeah. Case closed.
It's easy, my brother, this thing, my brother.
Yeah.
My brother, I always say this. I always tell my brother this. Uthi, mfethu, mayolala la wentwana.
Mayo?
Mayolala.
Yeah.
Masokuthi ulala.
Yeah.
Yabo yonke le fame.
Yeah.
As soon as usengubeni,
Yeah.
isala yonke phansi.
Yeah.
Uso.
That's the reason I always say, I rather choose the guy long thing a lunch bar. Drive Mercedes.
No, when now you have grown, you understand?
It's
Yeah.
the same thing that
So
you
cool,
want.
yes.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah.
I rather choose
You-
that guy. Long thing lunch bar. Every time after work, he comes to see me.
Yeah.
How about getting out?
Yes.
Then that guy drive Mercedes.
You remember?
Hey,
You remember?
Yeah.
Those ghost one we have that.
Yeah.
But you say,
Those ones were savage.
no, tuna
But
sweet
I'm
man.
gonna-
Umelaini. You understand? And it depends where you ukulele kuphi. If ukhule to a hunger dog, if you're a woman ukulele to a hammer.
So,
You
listen,
understand?
let me cut you off, my brother. Let me cut you off, my brother. Listen, let me cut you off, my brother. And I'm
Cherry.
Yeah.
Wait,
Yeah,
wait,
yeah,
wait.
yeah.
Let me cut you off, my brother. And I'm cutting you off because
Yeah.
when I say ukulele,
Yeah,
my brother, I asked her
yeah.
the very same question. Remember, I'm like, tell me, did you guys grow up in the same house? She's like, yeah, we did. I'm like, how come you guys have this different values?
Yes.
And I understand that because they had different.
Yeah, they do.
She was like, mina nomungana mali, as long as umthanza, I'm there for you.
Yeah.
The other one was
Baze
like,
basho nabuthi, hello, bahlala bami into slim.
so I had to ask her like, how come she thinks differently than you do? She's like,
Experience.
maybe she's been, maybe it's
Experience, yeah.
experiences. I understand.
Yeah.
So even if my brother Nomunga Kulanjan, for instance, this girl in Mati Ukuligash,
Alo uyahlanya lo. Lo uyahlanya.
There's this argument. This girl dates for money. I just
I don't
don't
understand.
get it.
You understand?
Okay,
Guys.
fine. Like, I'm saying Polo. The apartment, like, I'm saying okay, but still she's dating for money. I just don't get it.
Mina, you know what I believe in? Sacrifice. There are sacrifices that la khona namakhaya wesingawa. Mina I've been through ngibonile ngebantu
Sacrifice.
ekhayini banemali dog ne. Nema sacrifice labangafaka. Most of the time notice kahle cobo from today onwards ne. Ekhaya banemali, they are rich, but mina ngi black sheep lapha kule khaya. You understand? Ngiyaphetha blind, but ekhaya banemali. Banginendela konke mina ngibheka ama trucks nana. Ine sacrifice lekhona lapha ekhaya. Nina lengayathi nina la ngaphandle. You understand? Nethi kwantombatane
I
bayifaka.
always say that.
Bayifaka lento le
Okay,
dog.
then how about those kids who could see time and only they were sort of a sebenda?
Yeah.
Gosh.
Yeah. Yeah.
They were not rich, but
Yeah.
they were sort of a sebenda gosh.
Never afford it.
But couldn't afford whatever I wanted, I got. But I was hanging with the wrong crowd.
Yeah, would do crowd wrong.
They started the crowd wrong.
Yeah.
But like you said, stage ifuna odlule kuso udlule
Yeah,
kuso.
yeah. Ukuthi ungafuni ukubuyela back, yeah.
Udlule kuso,
Yeah.
experience
Yeah.
udlule kuso. Mhlawumbe maybe bema
Yeah.
I can afford that. Angisho ekhaya kukhona.
Yeah.
Ikhona imali.
Yeah.
I can afford that. While wena ufuna ukuthi ikota.
Yeah.
Mina ngikhona ukuthenga ikota nezolo.
Yeah.
I-cold drink.
Yeah.
Yabona?
Ngithengele nawe wesipani.
Uthengele nawe sibhema sokuthi.
Yeah, yeah.
But because when you're in a predicament where you always have to be conscious of what you have.
Yes.
I don't.
Yes.
I understand.
Yeah.
So I have a leg up. I have Ngphambili kunawo.
Yeah,
You understand?
yeah.
But because of I get everything that I want. Dog, I get there's no need for me to work.
Yeah, there's no.
There's no need for me to go to school.
Yeah.
Because everything I want,
Yeah, it's all.
it's all. And I'm stupid enough to I'm not even thinking about the future.
That's the reason why the chicks are fucked up.
You understand?
Yeah.
Which is boy.
Yeah, but they are very fucked up.
Which is boy, I was serious, fresh, and then all of a sudden you're like, because
Yeah. Hey, sometimes. Sometimes. I'm not saying always.
Yeah, I'm saying it's not possible.
Yeah,
Back
yeah,
then I won't
yeah.
sometimes, but sometimes it's so good.
Yeah, I think that I'm gonna send him. Also, put them on one almost like you're okay, but I'll tell you right. What if Coco spiritual husband?
Spiritual husband.
I was like, bruh.
Yeah, kukhona lokukhona, but yonke into
I was like, bruh.
the more over along the dog, there's more you understand.
The more you learn, true.
Yeah, you understand?
But you can also confuse yourself now with one.
Yeah, you can, but ungona confuse uyi-one, ungaphumeli ngaphandle. Ungaphumeli ngaphandle le nto uyoconfuse wonke umuntu.
Yeah.
Eventually you don't that's the thing.
But ungayithathi le nto uyoniketa wonke umuntu le nto leyo. You understand?
But that's what I'm saying. Eventually, we go boom, my brother.
Yeah, it's
I don't
tough.
know if
Me crazy, but I talk to myself.
But that's the reason mina mangiphuma ngiyathi uthi ngiyakuphi ngiyoyindani ngiyabuya futhi.
I talk to myself.
Ngadistracteki lula.
My brother.
Yeah.
That's why City, there's a difference between a child lokhule kahle nomntwana longakhuli kahle.
Yeah.
Umntwana lokhule kahle normally una le opportunity yokuthi ingqondo yakho can be freelance.
Yeah.
Ungacabangela kwanamhla phela.
Yeah.
You don't have necessarily to think about tomorrow.
Sasa usuka bangivuka
Nah,
kimi. Yeah.
Uyabona kusasa.
Yabona?
Yeah.
Lolokhulele ahluphekile always have their guard up because we are with ish.
Sisusabekela.
Angathola 50 rand today. Angathola 50 rand.
Yeah.
Usho double 50 rand low.
Yeah.
By next week you will 10 rand.
Yeah.
Usho uplanile
Yeah.
thinking ahead.
Yeah.
You understand?
Sisusabekela ungathi konguqathi.
Exactly.
Shiya. Sisusabekela.
If we say there's nothing, I got man.
Yeah.
I have to eat.
Yeah.
We have your pan.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So, uthi noma athola imali, hence why uthola labo papa labanemali, bakhuli banganamali, basebenza even today. Umusomtsala mara usenani, usasebenza. Ahle ngifuna ngithethe.
Ivelo.
Ahle ngifuna ngithethe. Ngifuna ngitshela ukuthi ngithi as papa le ndaba zama retirement.
Yeah, ngibona singibani.
Ayikho.
Mina. Okay, qhubeka.
Idalenda wazema retirement ayikho because retirement kumele into eyodwa, kumele ukufa kuphela.
Yeah.
Uzohlala kumele uhola imali because as soon as you and that's true as soon as you retire as soon as kusana nyoni angase ku podcast kusana nyoni uyathi explore kuma social media akusana ma social media what angase kuna WhatsApp so ayifanele nasendlini the more chances yokuthi bakufone you're not relevant anymore.
Yeah, you know.
Abakufone ngokufonelela la usekho
Yeah.
uyaphila mara hayi
Yeah,
ukuphila
yeah,
uyaphila
yeah.
but they won't call you anymore because you're not relevant anymore so you easily but as long as usase ngaphandle you still gonna get those calls.
But I don't believe when usebenze forever uzokwazi bathi hey nomuntu ufa bulole create etshwala so la kwamba like I believe that you need to work for money in order money to work for you. You understand?
I get what you mean, but let me I'm not begging to differ.
Yeah.
Let me explain what I said
Yeah.
about retirement being a scam. Even people with money, they still work.
Yeah.
Although they don't go to the office every day.
Yeah, but look,
So why people-
it's different.
Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
The money that works for you gives you the opportunity to work for something else.
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
Uthola ukuthi umuntu ukhule afisa kuba umdlali webhola.
Yeah.
But because he knows ukuthi I have to work and ibhola ngeke ngentele imali that much.
Yeah.
I have to work ngiqhubeke nala mathematics ami.
Yeah.
Aqhubeke vele athengise la mathematics ayodlala ibhola ntsambama abuye athengise mathematics akhe. Pretty soon this person will think ukuthi eish izola mathematics ngihambela kahle. But le mali incane. Ngayikhulisa njani zaba yami mathematics?
Yes.
Athi sithengele plus.
Yes.
I understand?
Yeah.
That's +1.
Yeah.
So le plus. Yabona? After plus il plus likhona ngisapply mathematics. But imali ngithola eplazini incane. Athi ngivula store ngiyothenga mathematics with retail price. You understand? Now lo muntu soshangana nge home connect.
Yeah.
Uyafama, uyasaplya, uyatrade.
Yeah.
You understand? He has what time to his hand.
Yeah.
Now remember bekadlala ini bola sakho.
Ibhola, yeah.
Now le plaza nale mali kayindawo iyakhona kufanda ini lento bekasola fisa ke. So iyakhona ukuvula ini iqembu lebhola. That's not retirement per se.
But some of the things that kuna sitende for future nebantu abethu ngani nanzi yakhulu. Maybe ngiyabekisa I can like njoba ushit besikhuluma nge-MK party ukuthi you can see ukuthi lona akekho lapha kule nto leyo, you understand? Angeke ngimfake ngenkani kwebhola. Umntwana mamkhizi simboni ukuthi webhola ziyafana. You understand? No, we saw that. You understand? But ufuna umfake kule nto lekayithandayo. Do music siyambona uyafana. You understand? Ah no dog, that's true. Sorry kusho njalo. Yeah, you understand? But khona into yakhe lekayithandayo ngiyabekisa. You understand? Kusafuna bamfake ayibuke lento lekayithandayo yena. You understand? So, dog, invest maybe ku-property, maybe ma-flat, student accommodation. You understand?
Yeah.
In order ukuthi lo mntwana angabi hands on kule nto kakhulu. Matamatisi lo mntwana ufuna yazi ukuthi litamatisi lihlanyelwa kanjani. Akekho lapha kule tamatisi. You understand? Akekho. Mina mase ngiba wakhe domong senginalelona lekhulu. Sesizodlala igolf mama. Sesizodlala igolf. Noma ngifuna kwenda ama-10. Ngihlangana nabo sibani lapha ba busy bakhipha ama-10. Sasa umntwana wami ngimchanela kule nto lekayithandayo. But lento soliyaqhubeka. If le pipe la mase ngifile mina selo naye utovula into yakhe ne lekayithandayo. Ngingamfaki ngenkani.
Sorry. You remember me I called you telling you Lizzie, I'm not going back to school. I rather do things.
Yeah.
Mina I blame these schools because why bangafaki art?
Abafundi ngamabomu.
Yeah, because
benda ngamabomu.
Yeah, mina like
the system benda ngamabomu. Why ngisho njalo? Labantwana babo laba le power. Ababafundzisi kulo schools sine lama government schools.
Exactly.
Why? Because ayikho lento dog.
Exactly.
Yeah, continue sorry.
I was saying ukuthi I find myself doing accounting. Don't be very I'm doing accounting.
Yeah.
I do acting.
accounting?
But because I'm
Yeah.
then be accounting
Yeah.
But if like government and I get them arts because like
Those yafanya lo.
mara maybe good kwani to imoto
Yeah.
emateksini or I don't know man but or kumekuthunga
Tailoring.
but people be like
Benda ngamabomu dog. Benda ngamabomu.
And the education in dog.
South African education is
babe baze bathi wena grade 13 imlo
It's finished, bro. I mean,
just imagine magwakho magwami bekangimema mara bengizangafunza khona why bengangithatha ngifundisa khona because uyayibona i-best education afunze epinari befuna kuthatha mina everyday ngihambise ngiyabekisa you understand if ayibona le education ukuthi le ngiyifundisako mina ufuna yena kumisa to a better school manje ufundiselani ke
I remember this day esikoleni being inzabe ma-happies I asked her ukuthi nanako uphuza elobel high ucema happies isola mawave but mina I'm wrong lakuwe wena uphula ukwenza one mina angafunzila
angikakhona kumcontroller because utokhipha lo
because thina sikolaba ya bagcina thina sifuna kuchela njengapho
dog if makwakho if umntwana ufumfundisi wena ngimake umfundisi ngimntwaneni mina ngingasondi lapha esondeleni akudzimi mina ukuthi angidzingi nisitshele ukuthi insini kulawa ibantwana you understand ngiyabekisa yeah because lento kufuna icale kini you understand yes icale kini
but here's the issue and I don't want to play devil's advocate but this is the truth guys.
Yeah.
The teachers
Yeah.
themselves
Yes.
akusibo lababhala i-curriculum
Yes. They don't. Yes.
akusibo labaqhamuka with whatever
I
we
know
learned
it's a
at
system.
school. It's a system.
Yeah, it's a system.
They can't change.
Yeah,
Go on
they can't-
themselves. They
they-
can't
they
change.
won't,
it.
man.
But I'm glad mina ukuthi they see ukuthi the system is flawed.
Yeah.
Hence why abantu abafaka kuphi the same schools they teach.
Yes.
baba balekisa
Yes, because they see ukuthi the system is
Yeah.
flawed.
Yeah.
But they don't have the powers to change the system itself. You understand? If I feel like
Yeah.
if we had the power to change the system, firstly, scale of it. Don't let people lie to you and say school is not important.
Yeah.
School is important.
Yeah.
very
But schools ifundisa basic communication.
It's kahle for basic after logo
It's basic. It's literally
Yeah.
it's basic.
Yeah.
Basic.
Kabang futhi basic
education.
from grade R
Dog,
till. So
you know
futhi
what
basic
you
one.
know what esikoleni bafundisa discipline, how to talk to people,
And logo was ekhaya.
and not really how to think. and how to follow.
But,
That's the only.
but to communicate with people kufuna bafundise ekhaya. To kuhlonipha
But
kufuna
how many-
bafundise
but how
ekhaya.
many- how
Futhi
many
phatha
hours-
kufuna bafundise
But
ekhaya.
how many hours do you spend in the Basikaya?
Dincane yathi nzaphi because basindu.
That's what I'm saying.
Basindu.
That's what I'm saying.
Mara
Yeah.
basindu, you understand? Imagine ukuthi mem le uyoenda umsebenzi nomntali wakho lekhaya.
Umbona 8 hours every day.
So umosha isikhathi sakhe sokufundisa umosha.
Umbona 8 hours
And
every
how
day.
many are you in
My
the class?
man, wait. I would watch isikhathi sakhe ngokufundisa.
No, ufundisa i-basic thing le befuna ukuyifundisa ekhaya.
Exactly.
So imosha esikolweni.
That's what the education system is for. Because isikolo kahle kahle, dog, whatever you're learning in school, it's something that somebody didn't learn.
Mara abanye abananza
Do you understand?
Yeah, kind of, yeah.
The first person who started science didn't learn science, abamfundisanga science.
Yeah.
Utitholele
Yes.
science.
Yes.
And usitshela indolakati itholele yona.
Yena.
That's thinking. That's forward thinking.
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
So, thina ukuthi cabangela sicala after high school. Because from primary till high school siyacatshangela. You understand?
Yeah.
Kungena endlini kunesikhathi.
Yeah.
6,
Kudla kunesikhathi.
8,
Kuthi dishwashani kunesikhathi.
9.
Nayi ngo-9 ebusuku teenage hayi.
Siyacatha kudla.
Yeah.
Literally.
Hayi mina ngicitha kutsana.
You understand?
Isikhathi
You understand this thing? So everything at that point, awuticabangeli. Then we are Puma High School, Basini University. University uthola ibonzanga babo. Who bafana nabe bangaticabangeli.
Sasimali ezosengatshwala.
Thank you.
So ngilento ngikhala ngayo ukuthi i-education yasekhaya nasesikoleni university iyaclash esikhathini esiningi.
It doesn't clash, it's the same thing.
And sometimes phela netinto tini esikoleni netinto ngatini ekhaya.
Like what?
I-discipline yasekhaya nasesikoleni ayifani
It's the same
esikhathi.
thing, my brother.
Ngiyazwa ngisimini kahle kahle bakulimata esikolweni because phela isikhathi esiningi usesikolweni and masiko esikolweni awekho and ekhaya ngilapho ufunda
But
khona
that's
isiko.
different. But that's different.
You understand?
But that's different.
Yeah.
That's the seed.
Yeah.
The seed is totally different. Hence why,
Phela nginesiko lasesikoleni nesiko lasekhaya.
listen,
Yeah.
here's why uthola bantu labangakafundi, for instance, uthola umuntu waseKZN or from Swaziland,
Yeah.
vele lusathi inkomo, angakafundi.
Yeah.
Mawukhuluma naye,
Yeah.
lo muntu lo, speech sakhe, crystal clear,
Yeah.
magama akhe, crystal clear,
Yeah.
inhlonipho yakhe, out of this world.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Because uspend isikhathi sakhe lesiningi, itinkomo, nibantu abazala abaphathi bakhe.
Yes.
So yonke indzawo enani
Isiko la
Lenza
Exactly.
basingafuna mfati, samphathi lo ngakafundi.
you can manage
Because let's be kakhulu. No cousin. I will tell you. Tell you.
Yeah, yeah.
You
I will
understand?
tell you.
So magafika like it, this person akakwathi lokukhuluma, uyakwati lokukhuluma, understand ukuthi ukhuluma njani. You understand? I'll make an example. Ma2K. Most times I'm aware of what's
Akhuluma simisithi.
I did you not
It's WhatsApp.
Magama. Thank you.
Yeah.
Magamabo. My brother, if you noticed, Magpara on WhatsApp, type along with Gam.
Yeah.
The only governor type along in you.
Yeah.
Is just you.
Yeah, yeah.
But everything else, normal is everything. But it's everything, you see everything.
Manje ngisebenza ndilithu bo. Ngisebenza kahle.
Hey, take
Yeah.
So these kids, bakhuluma bangavakali kuphathini.
Yeah.
But ungabheka nemapeers abo.
Bava.
Kahle futhi. You understand? Clean. So school teaches you how to talk, how to write, how to calculate. That is basic education. How to communicate with people. Cause kubana esikoleni ne break. And ungaba ne break sefuna weneni uphume uyodlala nabantwana.
Ngubona I miss you but I am you. Asende. Tatibona ngala ukuthi umuntu uphethe sosini
What are
yani.
you saying now?
You understand?
So,
But then when you get to varsity, that's when you're like, because at varsity, but they're gonna teach you discipline. But okay, assignment, and I'm never class assignment job.
True.
Because that's kind of what we're not it due date in.
Abanye bana ushaya.
Like a university, that's when we're talking about due date is this.
this day.
Yeah, that's kind of due date in late.
Yeah.
But university, never class
Abangengi futhi nje.
zero.
No, mana high school. Ayonzela
Assignment job,
ukushaya abafuna nje
And kuyakuchaza since
bayakumesa, bayakupimpa.
yes,
Kuyachaza.
But my brother, here's the thing. Ekhaya bakufakela inyuku. Nigga, you've never got 10k in your life before, but this time bakufakela 10,000 rand because usescared. Angisho. Funa ubhadala irent, funa uthenge ukudla, funa ukhona ukuphila. Angisho. Funa uthenge nani nemabhuku. Because high school bongathi uthola 50 rand. Well, big long, well, big long.
Hayi, bekade
10 rand per day.
10 rand
Angeke
ngelanga.
yumi
Bakutshela
I
kuthini?
want 2k phela.
Bakutshela kuthini?
Sorry.
Ngiyaphaka esikolweni.
Yeah. Asidle kakhulu isicopho.
Yabona?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So mawuthola le 10,000 wena.
Nami bengiphaka manje.
Yeah.
Mawuthola le 20,000.
Yeah.
Une pressure ebangani.
Yeah.
Kuthi lo moya ugcoke la Costa. You understand?
Yeah.
Ufuna ini ila Costa. Ukijima thenga la Costa
Lapho
2.5.
na-cross.
Awuna cross. Uthenga la Costa 2.5. Une event eBlack Queen. Uyagijima uyakuphi? Black Queen. Uspenda 3k. Kule weekend leyi-1. So selena malini na 5,000. Lo 5,000 lo bekufuna kube imali yani.
Arentile yakudla.
Inyanga, lalela my brother. D3. Bakufaka mhla ka1 say D3 namuhla.
Guys, my
Mastandi wenani
pressure.
uyakufonela. Papa, i-rent. Hey, lo mzala, sorry. Hey, senda any.
Guys, my
imali ye-rent.
pressure.
I'm getting somewhere, my
Yeah,
brother.
go there.
I'm trying to show you how thinking is applied.
Yeah.
You send imali ye-rent. Now in a predicament because now awula mali yani?
Yeah, right.
Ye-cross.
They're close, yeah.
Unemali yani? Ye-rent. Unani? Unela Costa, uphuzile weekend, yaphelela lapha imali yakho. Chama lakho lithini? Akufana uright umfakela imali, ushaba.
Ushaba.
And then ufona ukuthi hey papa akunamali, akunakudla in cost thini? Usendela imali. So what do? You start thinking how to make money.
Hustle.
Uyayibona? So aqala sofuna ini? Span. Uyageleza, sekufuna ugeleze. After geleza uyespanini.
Ibizwa kabuhlungu.
My brother, in primary to high school, my brother, we're very protected, bro.
Too much.
Asivale mfana sichubekisa ngala TikTok it's been to us.
Almost
Yeah, people they will fed up, yeah. And so the subject lebesifuna sikhulume ngayo kahle asikangena kahle. Yeah, shout out to Black Queen once again. Thanks for the opportunity that they
It's
gave it
happening
to
on the
us.
28th of June, spin-off this coming weekend. Make sure that you are here.
Come
This
support,
coming
come
weekend.
support,
Come
come
support.
support, come
Yeah,
support,
bring
come.
your friends, bring your girlfriend,
Yeah.
bring your mama's boyfriend,
Your cousins.
bring your daddy's
Yeah,
boyfriend.
our
Mzala
Sharp,
wakho,
sharp.
babite bonke. This coming weekend, 28th, Black Queen, Kanyamaza, 12:14. That's where we at.
pa. No
pa,
one
pa.
la, no one
That's where we
la.
at.
Sabasila.
Sivale. Say vala fan.
Jaco.